Are we live? Just a sec, I'll check. Yeah, I think we are live. Hold on, I'll just check once. Yeah, I think we are live. Alright. Yeah, we are live. Alright. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to learn and build an AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. So, if you enjoy this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And let's get started. Alright, so there we go. Yep. cd backend npm run dev and cd frontend npm run dev. Yes, and here localhost 5173. There we go. Deepak Kanpal, hello Deepak, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So we close these requests, and here Pawn AI agent users. All right. So here I login test user2 at the rate gmail.com. Anirudh Gamer. Hello Anirudh. Welcome back to my stream. Deepak. India won, brother. Yeah, Deepak, I saw the match. It was a good match. Test user2. Sign in. Invalid credentials. Okay. Test user2. Invalid credentials. Okay. How many users I have? PG. Okay. So here PG admin. Just a sec. Frontend. SRC. Pages. Dashboard page. Here we have this. And okay, this is loading. Tyler, hey, can you make the chat on the screen smaller? All right, let's do that. How to do that? That is the question. Live chat, properties. How to make this smaller? How? That is the main question. Okay, fine. Here if I go import goal API, this. Here text shadow. Okay, text shadow. Font size. Yeah. Okay, let's make it. Maybe 14 pixel is fine. Guys, is 14 pixel fine? Okay. Height and width. All right. Live chat. Here, go to properties. I'll make it 18. Where is it? I'll make it 18 again. And I can width make it 600. 600 and height let's make it 400. All right. Is this fine, guys? Okay, I think this is fine. Do let me go. Do let me know. Anirudh Gamer, bro, what did you say yesterday? What did you say yesterday? What did I say yesterday? Like yesterday, I did not come live. Yeah, it looks better now. Okay, thanks, Tyler. Thanks a lot, man. Harodi Rohit. Hello, Rohit. Welcome to my stream. How are you? So there we go. And how many users I have? Test user 5, test user 5, test user 5, test user 5. Here, sign in. There we got this. Okay. परछाई भाई आपने आज रन ही नहीं बनाया यार सूरज शेयर योर लोकल होस्ट यूआरएल local host URL is localhost 5173. I will not be doing that Cloudflare tunneling right now because it is just for my own learning this project. टाइलर मैच के दिन लेट स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करते हो टाइलर एक्चुअली या मैं बस लास्ट के मैच के दिन और आज मैच देखने बैठ गया तो इसके लिए स्ट्रीम लेट स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि देखने में मज़ा आ रहा था मैच अच्छा मैच हो रहा था alright so here we go and just I'll check all of this is done and if I go to dash login again I should not be go to login after this yeah okay this is fine logout is also done so test user 5 at the rate gmail.com test user 5 here also logged in now we'll create this thing first when I come here and I click on send I should trigger that where is it that chat part I should trigger this chat endpoint with my logged in user fine सूरज अभिषेक भाई जल्दी आउट होके कोडिंग करने आता है Jewel manual today what are you gonna do bro today we are going to implement this this chat endpoint where I will type the command and then my application will try to build or edit the nodes so basically the core functionality today I'm going to implement of my AI agent Deepak Kanpal, where are you in this project? Deepak, this UI part is done and login authentication flow is done. Now the main feature, the core feature that creating, updating nodes using agent that today I'm going to implement. Chris Vector, hello Chris, welcome to my stream. Monorepo और turbo repo के बारे में बताओ और कोई अच्छा learning resource for that. See, monorepo is basically, for example, if you have worked with Django, you know, Django is like that entire structure of Django framework is a monorepo. Basically, like everything in just one, a single repository or single code base. That is called mono repo. And turbo repo, I have not worked with turbo repo. So, hold on, just a sec. Turbo repo, I think I have heard this term. Turbo repo versus monorepo. Let's see what we get. Monorepo and architecture strategy storing multiple projects in one repo. Yeah, I just said why build system design to speed up. Yeah, basically monorepo is a architecture where all the different projects have single base repository, and as I said, turbo repo is basically creating different repository depending on the feature of the application. And for resources, I don't know much about the good resource. Maybe on YouTube you could find Suraj Vatsal यहाँ भी. Okay, so now if I go to my GPT, this is my code. If I come here, dashboard page, dashboard page. Dashboard page.tsx. Nathan, hi. What's the progress on your project? Nathan, we have built the UI part and the authentication flow. Today I'm going to implement the core functionality, that is the agent part. Anirudh, try this in VS Code. Funny error. Yeah, I've done that. It's very lame. The game of code. Hello, game of code. Literally, I like consistency, brother. Thank you, game of code. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, so here, dashboard page I have done. This is my dashboard page, and for my backend, SRC controller, agent controller, then backend slash controller slash agent dot controller dot ts, agent dot controller dot ts. This is the core thing. Here we do this, and here this is my run agent. This is my uh, agent dot ts. This is my agent dot ts. Fine, this is my agent dot ts. This is my tool executor. This is my tool executor dot ts. Tool executor dot ts. Fine, and here this is my tools dot ts. This is run tools. Okay. Gumball, hello G, hello Gumball. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So, tools. These are the tools, and all right. Now I want that when I type the message to the agent should create the note. Agent should perform the task. All right, and all the notes or changes in notes should be shown in the front end. And just as I'll show my Prisma also. This is my schema. This is schema dot Prisma. I'll send the Prisma schema so that it knows the structure. Prisma schema dot Prisma. This is done. Okay, now let's implement. Now let's see what flow it says. Right now agent works, but your front end has no state that reflects the database after the agent executes. You need API to fetch nodes, front state for nodes. Okay, create API to get nodes. Get nodes. Okay, user nodes. Okay, fine. This is done. Cool. This is fine. And node service also get all. Okay. Here we don't need the node service, but okay, we create the node service. Node service get all nodes. All right. Then fetch nodes in dashboard. Dashboard.p. Okay, fetch nodes. Okay, fetch nodes. All right. Send message to agent. Connect input. Render nodes. Okay, fine. Flow after create no buy groceries. Front end. Okay, fine. UI updates. Create mark milk note of okay. Bro tip, what's this? Instead of refetching nodes, you can return updated nodes directly from the agent API, but the refetch pattern is similar and reliable. Okay, give me the full code. राजा, हेलो राजा, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अरे भाई आ गए आप यार. मैच देखे आज तो यार. अभी भी वॉचिंग 58 सी. ओके यार राजा, मैं मैच देख रहा था. गम्बॉल कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ गम्बॉल, आप कैसे हो? नीथन, try using Gemini Pro for front end. Okay, I'll give it a try soon. Lucky wheel of spin. Bye bro and good night, because I am very tired today. I will come to the stream tomorrow. Yeah, sure. Lucky wheel of spin, and thanks for joining by, and I hope you enjoyed the stream. Nathan, which API are you gonna use? For LLM, are you asking, Nathan? Gumball. हम जीत गए या वी वन. प्रणव, 58 ऑल टाइम वॉचिंग होता है आई गेस, नॉट लाइव. ओके, नोट सर्विस. ओके, लेट्स क्रिएट दिस. कम हियर. ओके, backend src services node service. Let's just create one more service, that get all nodes. Async get all nodes, get all nodes, just get all, okay, and something like this, get all, and we'll have the user id which is a string, and here we'll have is return prisma dot node dot find many, and here I'll pass where where or where user id is, where user id I have this, right, I have user id and order by, and here I'll have order by created at, and it will be descending order, so I get the latest. Fine. After this, just this get all nodes. Oh, I got this get all nodes. Okay, now if I go to my controller, agent controller, I should create a node controller, node dot controller dot ts, node dot controller dot ts, and here I'll have export const get all nodes. We have this async request comma response, and request will be of type request and response will be of type response. गम्बॉल Next.js यूज़ कर रहे हो? इसमें मैं React यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं सुबह को Next.js का एक प्रोजेक्ट में काम भी कर रहा हूँ. वो मेरे खुद के लर्निंग के लिए है, तो उसमें मैं Next.js यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. सूरज सर्व ओलामा, ओके. गम्बॉल Next.js सीखने में कितना टाइम लगेगा और मर्न आता हो? अगर मर्न आता हो आप, मतलब इसका मतलब आपको React आता है, तो Next.js में आपको, आप एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, आप Next.js सीख जाओगे. बेसिक फुल स्टैक टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाना, Next.js सीख जाओगे. Nathan, for the project you are developing, I guess I still don't know the workflow of this project you are building. Basically, it's an AI agent. There's a front end that is built using React, and back end I have used Express Node, and for database I'm going with Prisma, Postgresql, and the ORM is Prisma, and for LLM I'm using OpenAI, GPT 4.5. Sorry, GPT-4o mini. I'm using that model, and I'm basically using the tool calling inside that model for the building the agent. Parchai, which headphones are you using? Parchai, I'm using ANT Esports, name of the headphone. Okay. All right. So there we go. Try catch, and catch will be of type unknown. Unknown here, and just a sec, from this I'll get that catch part from here. I'll get this, I'll have this, close this user controller, you can close it. Error, API error, here request response, so response also from this one, response, this is done. And after this we get all nodes, and here I'll get the here I'll get the ID as no, it is my agent controller, this is my agent controller user ID. From here I'll get the ID user ID equals request dot user dot ID, and here I'll have optional, and this should be as string. Fine, I got this. Now const here node service, okay, this is also done. Await const nodes equals await node service dot get all, and pass the user ID. We got this. We got this. Then return res dot status should be 200 dot JSON, and here I'll have new API response 200 and notes notes fetched successfully. Fine, this is done. Get all nodes, and in my utils, in my routes, I create a new as notes. Okay, note dot route dot ts, import express from express const router equals express dot router, then export default default router. Now we have router dot route router dot slash get just all nodes, and here I'll do get verify JWT, and from here I'll get my get all nodes controller. Get all nodes controller. Fine. गम्बॉल ओके जी, मेरे 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट ऑन प्रोसेस है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे सीखूंगा. ओके गम्बॉल, या कंप्लीट दोस प्रोजेक्ट्स. जूल मैनुअल, यू लर्न टाइपस्क्रिप्ट बाय ओन और फ्रॉम ट्यूटोरियल. आई लर्न टाइपस्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम माय ओन. Basically, I know JavaScript, and TypeScript is just, types safety with JavaScript, nothing extra in that, right? Just you need to learn about type safety, that's it. So I learned TypeScript in one day only. Nathan, what's the best way of me getting internship as a data analyst? I tried LinkedIn. It's way too crowded, and most of them feel like scams. Yeah, I agree. See, LinkedIn is the world's most fakest place. I'm done with LinkedIn. That's why I don't use it. So the thing is that to get an internship, you need to build good projects, right? End-to-end projects, so that like an interviewer can see your projects. Because the competition is too high, you have to build end-to-end projects to even to get internships, right? So that is the first thing, that you need to build end-to-end projects, and then you need to deploy them so that people can see it. And as data analyst, your job should be to get data set and try to find patterns in those data, right? So you need to learn all the tools like NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, then scikit-learn, and all those things, so that all of this thing you can do properly. And then you need to build end-to-end projects. Chris Vector. Hello, Chris Vector. Welcome to my stream. Why don't you use gRPC API? Because I don't feel the need of using gRPC, because there are different technologies, and I believe in learning something when I feel the need to learn it, right? So that's, if I come across a situation where I need to learn about gRPC, then I'll start using learning about gRPC. अमन सो जा भाई, सो जा, गुड नाइट. अमन, अभी तो मैंने स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया, अभी थोड़ी इतनी जल्दी तो नहीं सोऊंगा. नीथन, ऑल राइट भाई, थैंक्स फॉर दी हेल्प. वेलकम नीथन. Love Shah, hello love, welcome to my stream. Are you using LangChain? No, I'm not using LangChain. I'm just using TypeScript and OpenAI GPT and tool calling feature in that. That's it. Fine, this is done. And in my node service, why is it error here? Hold on, where am I getting the error from? Get all. Okay, fine. Get all. Okay, I have already created this. Get all. I can remove this and I can bring it above. It's better. Okay. Next service is also done, and I need to, in my app.ts, I need to set up the route. App.use slash API slash v1 slash nodes. Then I'll have the node router here, and here import node router from dot slash routes slash node dot route dot js. This is done. This is done. Tools done. Agent control, close it. Node route, find all nodes. I'll just check it once by myself, and here I'll create a new endpoint, new folder as new folder here. It should be nodes, and inside nodes I'll have a new request, get user all nodes, and here in this endpoint we have this. I'll copy it from here, I'll come here, I'll paste it here, and this should be nodes slash get slash all nodes, and close this, and it will be here users login user test user 5 here, and get all nodes. Let's see nodes. Okay, let's go for test user 1 maybe. Let's see test user 1. You get all of these nodes, get user all nodes. Okay, so this is done. We are getting all the nodes. This is done. Fine. Route node controller node service, it is working. गम बॉल भाई, मैं टाइपस्क्रिप्ट सीख रहा हूँ और प्रोजेक्ट में जेएस यूज़ कर रहा करके टीएस में एआई से कन्वर्ट करवा रहा हूँ. कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं? नहीं दिक्कत नहीं है, बट अंडरस्टैंड करना कोड को कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या क्या टाइप्स यूज़ हो रहा है, वो सब एक बार एनालाइज कर लेना. अमर गेमर, नाइस लाइव वीडियो बाय समर. ओके, अमर गेमर बाय, नाइस लाइव वीडियो बाय समर. समर सर, आप वो जिम मेरे जिम में. समर सर. क्रिस वेक्टर, use nest.js to check your TypeScript learning. Okay, I'll learn about nest.js and try to use it in my next stream. अथर्व चौधरी, हेलो अथर्व, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया जावास्क्रिप्ट के कंसेप्ट एक बार में समझ नहीं आ रही है, क्या करूं? जैसे इवेंट लिस्टनर्स, सी event listeners and everything, these are part of DOM manipulation, right? So you need to build a small project. Like you can build a small project like when someone clicks on a button, text should show, you know, when there you can use event listeners. Like you need to learn how to listen to on click events and something like that. Deepak Kanpal, bro, how to be consistent? Because one day I sit, then the other day my mind say I will do it afterwards, and then it won't done. How to deal with it? See Deepak, the best way to overcome all of this is that before you start anything, before you start any task, think a lot before you start anything. But once you start executing, then don't think. Just your goal should be to execute, and don't stop until the job is done. That's it. Love Shah, how learn best practice do know about great open source project? How learn best practice do know about great open source project? Basically, first you need to learn good programming language like JavaScript, Python, Java, then find good open. So go to Gmail, go to Google and search about good open source projects using this tech stack. Then there will be list of projects. Then you can go through those projects and try to fork the repository, and then try to make some changes, add new features, and then create a pull request. Tech001, hello Tech001, welcome to my stream. Bro, can you say some projects? I know Node.js, MongoDB, Postgresql, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as I'm a newbie, or I have to learn more before to do projects. See, now what you learn, that is good enough to build projects. So you can start building projects, start small projects like a to-do application, simple to-do application, end to end. Try to build that. H Tyagi, hello H Tyagi, welcome to my stream. Bro, just watch your own stream later. There is need to fix background sound on your mic. Okay, background sound. Maybe it's a fan sound, I think. Bro, guys, do let me know if my mic is having issues. A5 ब्रो ngrok पे होस्ट करा करो ना एप्लीकेशन व्यूअर्स के लिए इंटरैक्टिव होगा मज़ा आएगा थोड़ा ब्रो ngrok ओके ओके मैं ट्राई करूँगा टेकी प्लीज से भाई टेक yeah tech see I will suggest you start building small projects like to do application then try to build a note making application blog application something like that abcd भाई भैया डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए कोई टिप्स डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए सबसे पहले पांडा सीखो नमपाई सीखो पाइथन अच्छे से सीखो ये तो मस्ट है फिर सी बॉन्ड सीखो उसके बाद आप टैब्लू सीखो वो सब सीख सकते हो गम्बॉल कोड समझ आ रहा है बस खुद से लिखने में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही है अभी टाइम के साथ आ जाएगा या गम्बॉल सी वो आप जितना प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे उतना आप सीख जाओगे ठीक है तो उसका उतना टेंशन मत लो बट आपको सब कोड का फ्लो समझ में आना चाहिए दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एनीमे हेलो एनीमे वेयर डू यू लर्न दिस फ्रॉम 100 No, I did not learn anything from any cohort. I watched YouTube videos and I learned everything from YouTube only. गम्बॉल भैया ये जानना था इसमें पोस्टग्रेस सीक्वल क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हो मोंगोडीबी की जगह एक्चुअली गम्बॉल द थिंग इज दैट एज अ डेवलपर यू शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद सीक्वल डेटाबेस एज वेल एज नो सीक्वल डेटाबेस है ना तो मैंने अपने सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन में मोंगोडीबी यूज़ किया था सो मैंने सोचा कि इसमें नो सीक्वल लाइक पिछले वाले मोंगोडीबी यूज़ करके नो सीक्वल एग्जीक्यूट किया था तो इसमें मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना प्रिज्मा एंड पोस्टग्रेस के साथ सीक्वल डेटाबेस यूज़ करते हैं Deepak, no, it's good, bro. No need to worry while speaking. It doesn't sound so. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Do let me know if my mic has any issues. Akarsh, hello, Akarsh. Welcome to my stream. Bhaiya, Prisma Drizzle. Akarsh, my go-to choice is Prisma because I know Prisma. And yeah, see, Drizzle is also fine. But I don't know. I find Prisma really easy to use. Fine. Okay, this is done. And after this is done. Node controller, then routes is also done, then front end. Tyagi, just watch later once you will understand what's the baki what's that baki bro your content is good thank you Tyagi and I'll try to fix the mic issue if I'm having some gumball मतलब नो सीक्वल और सीक्वल डन दोनों यूज़ कर सकते हाँ गॉट इट या वो आप दोनों यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगर आपको यूज़ करना आता है एंड ना काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स में ना जब आप कोई इस कंपनी में जाओगे या कोई इंटर्नशिप करोगे या कोई स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन करोगे तो आपको स्टार्टअप के नीड के हिसाब से डेटाबेस यूज़ करना पड़ेगा यू नीड टू लर्न दैट स्किल हाउ विच डेटाबेस आई नीड टू लर्न यूज़ इन माई प्रोजेक्ट सो दैट विल अरे भाई मैं आई एम नॉट यूजिंग Next.js वाई इज शोइंग ओके फाइन सेम थिंग प्रिज्मा सेटअप करने में अब दिक्कत होता है हाँ वो एक बार आप सीख जाओगे प्रिज्मा 7 दिक्कत करने में खाली एक अडाप्टर और नया चीज़ आया है जो भी आप डेटाबेस यूज़ करें जैसे अगर आप पोस्टग्रेस यूज़ करें यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल पीजी अडाप्टर तो वो खाली एक चेंज है बाकी सब सही है ओके अगर आपको सीखना है कि कैसे आप प्रिज्मा 7 सेटअप करते हो आप मेरे गिटहब रिपोजिटरी में जा सकते हो यू कैन गो टू माई गिटहब एंड यू कैन पिक एनी ऑफ माई प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल by the way this is my GitHub profile and if anybody is interested they can see my codes here so basically अगर आपको सीखने की प्रिज्मा कैसे सेटअप करते तो ये इसमें जाओ ये वाले रिपोजिटरी में यहाँ पे आप कोड देख सकते हो प्रिज्मा मैंने कैसे सेटअप किया है तो वो आपको हेल्पफुल हो सकता है ओके दिस इज डन and front end src API auth and now I'll create notes then I'll create agent AI just these two APIs and in my auth is done now in my notes I'll create a new API here note.api.ts auth okay then gumball 69 oh bhai good night kal milte hain yeah gumball thanks for joining this stream I hope you enjoyed it note API is done then here I can do basically export const get all nodes. We'll have this here, and after this const response equals, here it will be async await API dot get slash nodes API slash nodes slash all nodes, this thing, and then return what am I getting in this API. In this API I'm getting nodes response dot data dot data. Okay, here I can return response dot data. This is also done. Nothing, no body is required here. Okay, anime, what are you creating? Can you explain? Anime Ori, welcome to my stream. I'm trying to create an AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. Basically, it's an note making AI agent. What this will do is that you can, instead of creating notes manually, you can just type, for example, create the following notes 1 2 3. You can describe the notes, and then if you click send, the agent will create the notes and the notes will appear here. Then you can say update the following note, and you can update this note and make it this. Then the agent will decide which tool to call, and to agent will update that note or delete that note. Shubhadeep, hello Sarji, hello Shubhadeep, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Tech001, hello Tech001, welcome to my stream, bro. What things should I learn after Node.js? I know authentication using JWT, CRUD operations, MongoDB, CRUDs. So what can you say? 2 to 3 projects in sequence. Basically, if you want to just learn about backend, if you are only focusing on backend, then you should learn about caching and rate limiting. You learn about Redis, how to use Redis in your application. Then also you can learn about Socket.io, WebRTC. Learn about that. ABCD, भैया आपको नींद नहीं आती? कंप्यूटर में देख के काम करने में मुझे तो नींद आने लगती है इस टाइम. ओके, ABCD, नींद नहीं आती मुझे. लाइक बेसिकली ये काम मुझे अच्छा लगता है करने में, तो इसमें नींद नहीं आती है. कोई अगर ये काम मुझे पसंद नहीं होता, मैं ज़बरदस्ती कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे नींद आती. बट इसमें नींद नहीं आ रही क्योंकि मुझे एक्चुअली में अच्छा लगता है करने में. आओ सुनो ज़रा, ब्रो आर यू सिंगल? आओ सुनो ज़रा. लाइक पब्लिकली तो रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस रिवील नहीं करना चाहूँगा. Zidwow, hello Zidwow, welcome to my stream, bro. What after this project? Zidwow, after this project I start building my SaaS. SaaS, and same I'll come live and I'll work on my SaaS application. Anime Ori, you can. Anime Ori, what? Anime Ori, what you can? Can you explain? Anime Ori, okay, fine, this is done. So I have created this notes API, and then in my AI API I'll create here AI dot API dot TS export const agent, just make it AI agent, fine. And here async, it will be async here, async. And in my agent part, what are we sending in the body? Okay, fine, agent slash message. Okay, so here I need to get the message, which is a string. Message is a string. Hold on, message is arey yaar, this is called being VS Code being over smart. String, we got the message and string, and then const response equals await API dot post slash agent slash chat. And in my, okay, let's keep it like this only, and in body I'll send message here, and in the headers part headers. Okay, not here. Here in the headers it should be content type should be application/json. Fine, this is done. Const response, this is done, and here I'll return response dot data. This is also done. Just a sec, I'll check all of this here. Fetch notes. Fine, this is done. This is done. User, okay. Send a message. This is the message with credentials. Okay. Fine, this is also done. Tech, what is SaaS? SaaS stands for software as a service. Basically, it's a business model where you build a software that builds up that solves one small problem, and then people will pay you to use your SaaS. It's like a subscription basis. Tech, how to integrate AI in web dev. How you did, bhaiya? See, basically, first is that you need to build a backend, and then inside that backend you need to learn how. Basically, you can go to any documentation like OpenAI documentation or Gemini documentation. First thing you need is an LLM API key, right? That is the first thing. Then you need to install a particular package. For example, in this case I had to install OpenAI's official npm package. Then inside that, whatever message I'm getting from a front end, I'm grabbing it my backend, and then I'm sending that message to my uh, OpenAI's LLM using that API key, and then basically I'm making an API call to LLM to OpenAI's LLM using my backend. That's the thing. That's the basic flow. How suno zara, how to deal with low leak friends group in corporate. I have no option to either them or stay alone. How suno zara, the best thing is that if you don't have like-minded people around you, stay alone. That's the best thing, because being in the wrong surrounding, that is worse than being alone. So better option is that unless and until you find good people, stay alone. Okay, this is done. Note API is done. This is also done. Fine. And I'll come here, front end src components, and in my pages dashboard page. Okay, this is done. Let's log in, not with this. Let's log in with test user unauthorized request. Hold on, what is this? Okay, test user 1 @gmail.com. test user 1 login, log out. Okay, test user 1 @gmail.com. test user 1 login. Okay, there we go. And here, fine. Now in my dashboard part, workspace. Okay. Notes.map footer. Okay, so the first thing is to use an use effect. Const, we have notes comma set notes equals use state. Notes will be empty initially, and I need to create the type for notes also. Okay, we'll create that. Here I have the note type, and I can get this from here only. Fine. Interface node, let's keep it for here for now. Set notes, done. Then const message equals set message, and use state const loading comma set loading equals use state. By default it will be false, and the type will be boolean here. Fine. Okay, how soon is that? Totally agree. Yeah, man. Ankit, hello Ankit, welcome back to my stream. Tech, today is the first I saw your channel after many searches. Who explains me like a wow, and do projects which I most Which I'm most weird about. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Bhaiya, are you from West Bengal? Yes, Tech. Thank you, Tech 001, for using such kind words, and it means a lot, man. And yes, I'm from West Bengal, India. Lokesh, hi, bro. Hello, Lokesh. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Renova Digitals. Hello, bro. Hello, Renova. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? Yesterday I was a bit unwell. That's why I couldn't join your stream. Renova, you are lucky. Yesterday I did not do the stream only. Yesterday I did not do the stream, so you did not miss anything. Mana Telugu. Hello Mana, welcome to my stream. In real world, how money can you make from SaaS? Yeah, in real world, basically, if your SaaS is good enough and it can solve one good problem, even if it's a small problem and it's a painful problem, then people will pay, to use your SaaS because it's solving their problem. Then, oh really? Yeah, man. Nitish. Hello Nitish, welcome to my stream. Hi bro. Hello Nitish. Anime Soul. Are you using LangGraph or agentic workflow? I'm not using LangGraph or agentic workflow. Basically, I'm building the agent from scratch using TypeScript and just an LLM and tool calling option. That's it. Renova Digitals. Come on, man. What a coincidence. Yeah, Renova. Fine. Loading, set loading. This is done. Then here, const fetch nodes. Okay. Const use effect. Not use. This is not the syntax of use effect. Come on, yaar. Here I'll come use effect react this. Done. Then inside this const fetch nodes equals fetch nodes. This will be async. Here we'll have try catch, and finally also, and here in the finally part we'll make set loading to false, catch error, and here we can just use toast dot error dot message. Let's keep it like this for now. What is this? Which notes? लोकेश फाइन ब्रो, बस थोड़ा कोल्ड है. ओके लोकेश, बट लाइक तुम्हारी हेल्थ पहले से बेटर हो रही है. एनीमे, आर यू यूजिंग जेमिनाई? एनीमे, आई एम यूजिंग ओपन एआई GPT 4.0. Try fetch nodes. So here, while fetching the nodes, const response equals await. Then I'll get what was my endpoint, my API, not here, nodes, the no get all nodes, await get all nodes. Fine, we got this. And then inside get all nodes, get user all nodes, what am I getting? Okay, login here, and after this response.data. Okay, response data I'm getting, and set nodes will be response.data. Hold on, what is the issue? Data does not exist in type void. Hold on. Export const get all nodes async const. Okay, why am I getting this? Await get all nodes. What's happening here? Sync. Nova Digitals. Just saw your channel post. TS does have surpass Python as well, but I believe the versatility of Python is what makes it unique and yeah. See, Python has lots of versatility, right? But it is primarily being used in AIML right now, and some people are using it for web dev, like in Django and Fast API. But the primary use case of Python is dominated by what is that called? AIML. आई शो क्लिप्स डेली. हेलो आई शो क्लिप्स, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई रन्स कब बनाओगे? मुझे भी नहीं पता. लोकेश भी. हाँ ब्रो, आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ लोकेश. आई लॉस्ट $1.5 credit using 4.0. Okay, in a single day. Alright. Yeah, we have to be very careful while using. What is the issue? Async. Oh wait, I'm using it. If I'm calling it here. Just a sec. Copy this. If I bring it here, if I paste it outside, this is a function. Try catch. Finally, hold on. Get all nodes. And get all nodes. You will also get all nodes in this spacing. Oh wait, spacing. Oh wait. No, I don't use this. No, I have to use it. Okay, fine. Copy it. Cut it here. And I'll paste it here. Use effect. Paste it here. H nodes. And let's call it H nodes. Wait. Pasting. Oh wait. Okay. Hold on. If I come here, I'm gonna actually. Oh wait. Async fetch nodes. Okay. Fetch nodes. Use effect. Async. I'm calling it here. And console dot log notes here. Down. Alright. Response. Hold on. Await. Get all notes. Okay, we are not returning. See, what an idiot, man. Close it. Okay, hold on. Log out. And let's go for test. User1 at the rate gmail.com. Test user1. Sign in. Okay, empty. Why empty? But here for test user1, if I come here, test user1, and here we are adding this. Okay, we are getting this. Tech using ChatGPT for making projects is good. I'm little worried about that. See, tech. The thing is that if you are a beginner, I will not recommend you to use ChatGPT for building projects. You should build projects on your own at first, and then later on you can use GPT only for front end. But I will not recommend GPT as a beginner if you are a beginner. शुभदीप, हेलो शुभदीप. ब्रो मैंने 11th ख़त्म हो गया है एंड 12th स्टार्ट होने वाली है. 11th में मेरे कुछ चैप्टर बैकलॉग लगा हुआ है एंड मुझे जेई मेंस देना है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू मैनेज. आप कुछ टिप्स दे दो. सी शुभदीप, 11th में बैकलॉग लगा है एंड आपको जेई मेंस देना है, तो आपके बैकलॉग के एग्ज़ाम्स कब है? वो तो सेशन स्टार्ट होने के पहले होंगे शायद एग्ज़ाम्स. ABCD भैया माइक इशूज़. Guys, am I getting mic issues right now also? Vishal Dev. Hello Vishal. Data might be in local scope. Actually Vishal, I did not return the data previously. Now it is working. Response.data. Okay, set notes. Hold on. Set notes here. Fine. And just a reminder, guys, if you are new to the stream and if you are enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. And console dot. Okay. Response. Console dot log. Response dot data. Let's see what we get here. If I come here, and now if I do this, see here we are getting this. Okay, fine. We are doing this. Log response rate data. Okay, fine. Here, send message. I'll work on it later. Fetch notes. Okay, it's better to make this function out of this. Copy this function, and here fetch notes. Fine, this is done. The workspace, and here div grid. Okay, this thing. Coals 3. This here, and let's come here, and then we go here. Let's copy it from here to here, and after this, comment it for now, and let's add this here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, buy a new house, buy a new car. Okay. What data content is completed. Okay, fine. This is also fine. ABCD शायद हेडफोन्स के वायर के वजह से हो रहा है. ABCD अभी भी हो रहा है क्या? Like, guys, are you getting mic issues from my side? Sameer, hello Sameer. Why you're not using TanStack query? Why I'm not using TanStack query? Because right now, like, I don't feel the need that I need to implement that TanStack query, because this is a very small project and this is for my own learning. I will not be hosting it. So yeah. Akhilesh Chauhan. Hello Akhilesh, welcome to my stream. I'm able to write backend stuff, but when I write front end, I'm not able to think what to do, how to design, and I know React and all that stuff. Okay, see, if you are able to write backend properly, it means that you are able to understand the flow of the application, right? But if you're not able to think for front end, it's because, front end, what I did is that when I was learning, I used to build small components, like how to build a nav bar, then how to for example, I create a login form, then try to connect the login form with my backend. That's the basic things I used to build. Maybe you can build something like that. You can create a register and login form, then you can connect it with your backend, then you can use Redux to store that information in your application. Vishal, are you trying new frame for development? What? Vishal, are you trying new frame for development other than React? Oh, Vishal, can you explain what I'm trying to say? Can you explain a bit? Not magical plays. Hello, no, not magical plays. Welcome to my stream. तुम्हें कौन सही गेम बनाई है? तुमने कौन सही गेम बनाई? मैंने कोई गेम नहीं बनाया कभी. Aircos, hello Aircos, welcome to my stream. Broski coding with GPT. Okay. YT Raj, hello YT Raj, welcome to my stream. Is Mon Stack will be replaced by AI? See, it will not be replaced, but obviously, like, people will use it, and people are already using it to build SaaS, like complete company using AI. But you need to understand the concepts. That's what the main thing is. Fine. Okay, this is done. Okay, now let's build the send message part. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. Send message part. Okay. There we go. Const const send message equals this, 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 and this. Async try catch. Okay, try catch. Toast dot error dot message of type any, fine, and finally, okay, loading, set loading, const. Here let's make it message, send message loading, send message loading, comma set send message loading, use state. We have all of this, and it will be boolean here, boolean, and it will be of type for initially it will be false, and in finally finally I'll make it set send message loading to false, and when this is happening, catch error, and when this is happening, first thing is that set message loading, send message loading, make it to true. Fine, this is done. Then const response equals await AI API. Here we have AI agent here, and here I'll use await AI agent, and here I'll pass the message. Fine. Then okay, I have this. Not magical. Mic ले लो. हाँ लूँगा कुछ दिनों में. Miss Simplify. Hello, Miss Simplify. Hello, my ML Simplify. Welcome to my stream. Hey, Abhishek, can you suggest stack topics to master AI agents as complete beginner? See, to master AI agents, your first thing should be you need to pick one tech stack. Like if you're a beginner, if I were you, I would be learning Mount Stack, right? Entire MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. Then I would build one or two projects. Then I will learn about caching and rate limiting, first thing. After that, then I would learn about how to use LLMs in my full stack applications, how to integrate LLMs in my application. That is the second thing. Third thing, then in the fourth thing, I would learn what are AI agents, then how to use AI agents, like how to create the tool calling options in the AI agents. That is very important. So that's how I would go. And if you want in depth, you can you can get my consultation, like it's paid. You can DM me on Instagram, or we can get on a call, and I would I can guide you in details. Sketch, hello Sketch, welcome to my stream. Not magically, अभी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? Not magically, I'm trying to implement this, basically this part where we send the message will go, and then after AI decides what function to call, then we'll get the notes or update the notes, something like that. Okay. There we go. Then set message loading to true. Okay, response done. This is also done here, and set message. After this, set message to empty. Fine. Okay, this is done. Then after this, I'll call await fetch notes. Fine. Okay, then there we go. In the footer part, where's my footer? This is my footer part. Here I have this input. Please tell the agent what to do. Okay, class name done. And here value will be message, right? But now I will not be able to type because I need to on change. I have to add on change. Here on change equals e, then set message. Here we have set message e dot target dot value. Oh no, my code. Bro, have you started earning from YouTube? No. Take a breath. Hello, take a breath. Welcome to my stream. Bro, are you doing job or do you have startup? Take a breath. I'm trying to build my own startup. Okay, this is done. Then this is the button. And here I'll make it disabled. Disabled when this is true. Send message loading is true. Is true here. Send and make it on. Click send message, and for now let's make it if send message loading is true, this, or else this send message loading is true, sending message, and here constant. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. This is done. Toast dot success. Okay, let's not do this now. Fine, we got this. Now this is the moment of truth. Log out first. Okay, test user 1@gmail.com. test user 1 login. Remind me to meet my friends. Okay, let's make it make a note about meeting with my friends on 9th March 2026. Let's see if everything goes well or we do mess up. I'm hoping we will mess up. Send. Okay, just a sec. Ibrahim Mohsin, Abhishek bro, when are you coming in from? Only final left. Abhishek bro, when are you coming in from form? I don't know, man. I don't know. Vishal Dev. Hello, Vishal. Earlier, I was asking if you are exploring modern frameworks such as Next.js, Remix, or Astro for web development. Yes, I am exploring Next.js these days. I am working on a project in Next.js also. Okay, now let's do the send. Jai Mata Di. Send. Ending. Let's see what is happening. Yeah. Okay, this is working. See, okay, this is working. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's one more. Ibrahim, talking about cricket, what the fish Abhishek 65 runs in 9 matches. You are number 1 ranked player. I don't know why he's not in form. Okay, so this is done. Okay, let's create one more. I need to start building my SaaS. Create a note for that. Let's see. Sending message. See, just AI understood what we are doing and it created this note, start building a SaaS, right? And if I come to my backend and if I see, oh, where's my notes? Here we can see the new notes. Start building SaaS. Okay, these things are happening. Varike, hello Varike, welcome to my stream. IO, hello Varike, welcome. Lokesh B, abhi bro play good in IPL. प्लीज़ इस बार सीधा 200 स्कोर करो. Okay. See guys, this part is working where we are able to create the nodes. So you can, say what you think about this in the chat. Now we have to implement all those things like pending nodes, all those things. Fine. And just a sec, instead of doing just the sending message, take a breath. Do you know Telugu? No, take a breath. Unfortunately, I don't know Telugu. Sending message. Let's do one thing here. Let's make this. Make a div. Make take a spinner. Take a spinner and say here sending message. Fine. And make this class name. Make it a flex. Make it flex. Then justify center items center and keep a gap of 2. Fine, there we go. Now let's create one more node. I have to visit a doctor on 23rd March. Create a note for that. Let's see, sending message. Okay, this is working. Take a breath. It's awesome, bro. Okay, that's nice. Lokesh B, I know Telugu. Oh, that's great. Lokesh bro, hi. Tinawa. MP Rian. Hello MP Rian, welcome to my stream. What are you building? I'm trying to build an AI agent, note making AI agent, so from scratch using TypeScript and PERN stack. अभी ब्रो मैं आपको मैसेज किया था AI इंस्टा में. या लोकेश, आई सॉ योर टेक्स्ट, लाइक यू मैसेज मी. Priyanshu, hello Priyanshu, welcome to my stream. Okay, so this is done. Now let's do one thing. This is the note response from the API. I also want to show completed. I want to show if the note is completed or not. Okay, this now let's do one thing that. Okay, let's come here and try to remove a node. I have bought a car. You can remove that node. Let's see. Can remove that node. What happened? Refresh. What happened? Okay, inspect network. What the hell happened? Remove the node related to car. Let's see. Okay, fine. So basically I need to implement lexical syntaxing. I can do that. I bought a new house. Remove the note related to house. Okay, if I come here, network, and if I click on send, okay, it is done. Okay, and instead of making this sending message, just make it a loader. Okay, remove this. Delete the note related to visiting the doctor. Send. Okay, yeah. Deleting the note. Okay. Priyanshu, hello, update. Priyanshu, basically, we are building an AI agent, and now the agent is able to create the note and delete the note. Now let's see, let's update the note. Update, update the note related to SAS. Make it start building. Okay, let's define. I am building an AI SAS so you can update the SAS note. Let's see, so you can update the SAS note. Let's see if it's updating or not. What happened? Okay, it is not getting updated. Okay. MP Rian, is every single LLM call costing you money? Yes, it is because but I have taken a $5 API key. Yeah, I bought a $5 API key. So yeah. Lokesh, is movie school good name? Thinking to name for my project. Movie social. Movie social. I mean, you can make it a bit cooler. See, don't take name advice from me. Basically, I made my social media app name as Connect Hub. So you can understand how lame I am when it comes to naming. But if you can give time to that, then maybe you know like basically there's a term called cinephile, right? Cinephile, people who watch a lot of movies, cinephile. So you can maybe create something related to cinephile and social, like socio senior something, or senior social, something like that. Zenix X, hello Zenix X, welcome to my stream. Hey Abhishek, can you show up your desk setup and about your laptop specification? Zenix, actually I'm using my laptop's webcam, so if I will not be able to show the my setup with my laptop webcam because my laptop is my setup. So there's no complex setup. It's my laptop, a keyboard and a mouse. That's it. And and yeah, for laptop specification, the specification is 16 GB RAM laptop with Intel Core i5 and 500 GB SSD and Intel Iris Xe graphics. That's it. Muhammad Walid Slogger. Okay, so why is my node getting updated? Make the node related to SAS as start building AI SAS. Let's see what message I get. Okay, start building AI SAS. Start building AI. Okay, okay, got it. It's creating a new note. Start building AI SAS. Start building SAS. Okay, okay, okay. Update the note. Delete the note related to SAS. Okay, fine. Let's see. Delete all notes. Fine, all the notes are deleted. But I need to fix a few more things. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Update ID is completed also. Okay, fine. There we go. Here in my is completed. This is here is completed is here, and notes.map. Okay. So here I can add it like this from here, and then come here and notes here. Move this part. remove this part, and from here to here I can add this. Okay, fine, anything. Okay, I bought a new laptop. Create a note reminding me to update the RAM. Okay, pending. See, now I got this pending. Fine. I have updated the RAM of the new laptop. Can you mark it as completed? Okay, no, okay, nothing. Samruddhi, if I will build this, will I get internship? Internship, yeah, you can get an internship with this project because it's basically a full stack project with AI capability. It's an AI agent from scratch. So yeah, you can get. Take a breath. Update the current node. Start etc. To start the node, give this command once. Update the current node to started node. Give this what? Which command? Coder YouTuber. Hello, Coder YouTuber. Welcome to my stream. Are you a college student? No, Coder YouTuber. I've completed my BTech. Samruddhi. Yes, final year, sadly. Okay. Snippy Soumya. Which chair are you using? Snippy Soumya, it's a normal laptop chair. Basically, it's office chair. Nothing fancy. Okay, fine. Mark the node related to RAM as completed. Network send. I got an error. Unauthorized request. Okay, I logged out. Fine. Okay. No issues because token got expired. Okay. Test user 2 test user 1 @gmail.com. Test user 1 login. Invalid credentials. Test user 1 login. Logged in. Okay, fine. Close all of this. Mark the note related to RAM as completed. Okay, completed. Okay, fine. See, it got completed. Delete the completed notes. Delete the notes that are completed. Okay, fine. Wise. Hello Wise, welcome to my stream. Can you solve my problem? VS Code is not opening. Okay, what is happening? Like when you click on VS Code, what is happening? Maybe you can restart your laptop or PC. Empyrean. Hello Empyrean, welcome to my stream. I want to build one project, one Explore website to create documentation of it, convert it to test case, automate the generate test case. So what do you think? Is it possible and how much it can cost me? See, development part is free, but only costing that I can see for you is LLMs. Basically, you will be automating the process, right? That maybe to generate the test cases, you can use LLM. So yeah, Lokesh, npm error missing script dev npm error to see a list of scripts run. Error complete log. Okay, npm error missing script dev. Maybe in your package.json you need to there is this, you can go to a package.json, hold on, whatever, if it's front end or back end, you go to package.json, and here you can see the dev script, maybe something related to that. Lokesh, I'm so dumb. It's fine, Lokesh, it happens. Take a breath. But by this we can't control our total nodes. We can't know what is understand good prompting. Is it necessary? Also, AI may misunderstand sometimes. Yeah, see, basically, to get proper control, whatever message, see, there's one more thing, that for example, if I am saying that I am buying maybe I have a meeting, I have a call, I have a consultation, like tomorrow I have a consultation call. So I have a consultation call at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Make a note for that. Make a note for that. If I'm making this, right? Consultation call at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Now one more note. I need to go to gym tomorrow. I need to go to gym tomorrow. Okay. I need to go to, let's remind me to go to gym tomorrow. Okay, fine. Create a note that for going to the gym tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so this is happening. Wise. I have done everything, like uninstall, reinstall. It's not working. I don't know. Okay, uninstalling, reinstalling. Why is it not? Right click on it and make it run as administrator. If you are using Windows, right click on it on the VS Code icon, and there's an option as run as administrator. Try to do that. Sagar, hello Sagar, welcome to my stream. Hi Abhishek, I have some questions regarding. Yeah, Sagar, tell me your questions. Vishal, I just want now for development. Which CSS framework do you prefer for styling a new project? Would you think about SCSS, which I prefer more than a utility first framework like TailwindCSS or Uno CSS? Basically, my go-to framework is whenever I'm building some projects, I go for TailwindCSS and ShadCN. Is it a RAG-based project which you are currently working on? No, it is not a RAG-based project. It's an AI agent. Basically, here I'm passing the command like create a note for going to the gym tomorrow. Then I'll send this message. Then AI will create the note for me. I have created tools and I've given my like LLM access to those tools, and LLM decides depending on the message like which tool to call. For example, if I'm going to the gym tomorrow, right? Mark the note related to gym as completed. Let's see if I send this message. Yeah, see, AI decided which function to call and it marked it as complete, right? So this is basically what I have built. I need to make a few more improvements. Raghav Sharma, hello Raghav, welcome to my stream. Wow, what a cool stream, buddy. Thanks Raghav, thanks a lot, man. And guys, just a reminder, if you're new to my stream and you're enjoying this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. Zah, hello Zah, welcome back to my stream. Hello Abhi, how much progress in your project till now? Basically, basic version is done. We are able to create the note, update the note and delete the note. But there are a few bugs that I need to fix, so I'm trying to do that now. Zah, what SaaS idea do you plan to build? I want to build an AI SaaS that solves problems of business owners or that needs client. That is the main my target audience for my SaaS. Like my SaaS, I want it built. I want my SaaS to be built for them only, something like that. Sagar, got it, brother. Okay. Sagar, are you working on any company currently? I'm a SAP. Simultaneously, I'm learning AI. Sagar, no, I'm not currently working in any company. I'm trying to build my own SaaS and startup. Markers man, hello, Markers man. Welcome to my stream. How are you, Sagar? I'm yet to move to agentic AI, but currently I'm making a RAG-based project. Okay, yeah, that's nice. See, RAG-based projects are very cool. Basically, you have to create embeddings, then you have to make vector search, and you have your entire knowledge base will be your entire database. It's very interesting. I've built a RAG-based application in my past. So yeah, going to the gym tomorrow. Consultation call at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Mark, remove all the nodes that are marked as completed. Let's see what happens. Okay, see, it removed all the nodes that are marked as complete. Umesh, I want to make something like this. What do I need to learn? I know MERN and doing some projects. This seems cool, so I'm thinking of. Yeah, Umesh, basically, if you're thinking about building this AI agent, you can watch this stream from day one. You can code along with this stream. It will help you to build this stream, this project. Wise, it's not working. I will consult someone tomorrow. Leave it for now. Can you show us webs have created till now? Just subscribe. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Wise. Thanks a lot, man. Basically, this is an agentic AI that I have built. You can create an account. You can sign in or create an account. I'll sign in now because I already have an account. For example, test user2@gmail.com, and test user2 is the password. If I log in now, so these are the nodes that are pending. I met my friends. Mark it as completed. Let's see if it does or not. Yeah, see, it marked this node as completed. So agent decided which function to call. I'm just sending the message and agent is doing everything. Marks, are you building any team? Marcus, man, right now, basically, first I build the MVP myself. Then, if people like it, and I'll launch it. And if I get any funding or people want, if I'm getting a revenues from that SaaS and I want to expand it, then I'll start building a team. Umesh, hello Umesh, welcome to my stream. What are you using beside the normal web dev technologies? I'm using agentic AI. Basically, agentic AI I'm using in this application in my backend. If you come here, basically I have built an AI agent. This is my agent, right? And I have provided tools. I have created the tools. These are the tools, and I have given this tools access to my agent. And these are the node service. Fine. We have this. This is how it works. Basically, AI agents, if anybody is a beginner, AI agent is nothing but an LLM with an access to tools, right? And what are tools? Tools are nothing but functions. Tools are nothing but functions. So to build an AI agent, you need to give access of these functions to your LLM. And LLM will decide, okay, this is the task, I need to call this tool. That's it. Without tools, LLM is just a brain. And tools are like hands. LLM has hands now. Brain with hands. So that's what AI agents are. Cooperative programming. Did it use any open API? No, I did not use open API. I have used OpenAI's API. Marcus man, what's your LinkedIn profile? Marcus man, I don't use LinkedIn because I feel that LinkedIn is the most fakest place on this earth. People just fake anything, like, hello everyone, congratulate me for drinking coffee. I bought my first coffee.
I don't like these things, so I don't use LinkedIn. So yeah. Prime 18. Bro, I'm back. Prime 18 is here. Hello Prime 18, welcome to my stream. उमेश भाई मैंने इमेज जनरेशन की एआई बनाया. Oh, that's great. I like something related like what is that called? I'm forgetting the name. Like stable diffusion, something like that. Ritvik, you said tools are functions. So if any agent is searching the web, does it mean somebody wrote a function to search the web according to the prompt? Yes, exactly. Basically, when you have created an agent that goal is to search the internet, right? So what is happening? There is a tool. Maybe you gave access to a crawler, a web crawler, something like a web crawler, or you built web scraping API you are using in that function, web scraping API. Web scraping API maybe you are using, and you have told your LLM that your job is to search the internet according to the need, and you gave this access to this LLM, right? So for in this case, the tools are maybe a web crawler or maybe a web scraping tool. So tools are just functions. For example, if you are creating an agent that writes emails for you, right? So in that case, this is the LLM, right? And the function and the tool will be email, Google email, where you get the Google Gmail API key, you configure all of this, right? And when somebody comes to this agent and tells that write an email regarding this and send the email, then this LLM will use this function. That's it. Wise, how old are you and how much did it take to come this far for you? Also mention how much have you progressed and what are your aims. Wise, I am 25 years old right now, and I have been I started programming when I was 16 years old. Basically I started with C++ and I started growing interest in programming. Then I started learning about different technologies like web development. I did a bit of deep learning as well. Then right now I'm 25 years old, and when I was 16, so maybe how many years? Let's do that. 25 minus 16, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9. So it's been 9 years now, almost 9 years now for me in this development thing. And my goal is to build my own startup or work in a very good startup. My goal, see, I'm not interested in working in corporate or big MNCs. I want to work in startups. I want to build my own startup or work in a very good startup. That's it. That's my goal. Coder, YouTuber, are you a working professional? No, I had a job. I left my job. Now I'm trying to build my own startup. Competitive programming. Hello, competitive programming. Welcome to my stream. Bro, to be into agentic AI, do we need to know the web technologies, or could I go with complete AIML thing where only uses Jupyter, or do we know web technology? See, basically, we have this conception, right, that we need to go into AIML. And what is AIML? AIML is basically your contribution to developing new things. Like, right now people are working towards building AGI, right? So who are building AGI? This ML engineers, deep learning engineers, PhD students of AIML who are deeply into AIML, they are trying to build, agentic, what did I say? They are trying to build AGI, right? So if you want to go into deep learning, your goal should be to build something new. Like, for example, LLM came back few years ago, right? And before that, transformer architecture came, and transformer architecture gave birth to LLM, right? So if you want to contribute to something that does not exist, then I will prefer you to go for deep learning engineer or ML engineer, or maybe you can go into transformer based learning, all those things. But if you want to go into agentic AI, what is agentic AI? Agentic AI is using the current pre-built LLMs and just giving it access to tools. That's agentic AI, right? But for people to use this agent, they need a client side, right, and a backend side. So for this, you need web technology, right? So if you want to get into agentic AI, you should learn web technology, because it will help you to solve this problem where you can get your agent in front of people. But for this agentic AI, what is just you need to learn about API calls if you want to get into agentic AI, right? So that's the thing. Nina one aura. Hello Nina, welcome to my stream. Hello 91 aura. Hello 91 aura. Welcome to my stream. भैया मेरा आज फर्स्ट डे है कोडिंग में, पाइथन सीख रहा हूँ और मेरी एज 17 है. मेरे को कुछ टिप्स दे दो. आप बहुत सही है कि आप इतने यंग एज में प्रोग्रामिंग की तरफ जा रहे हो. दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. एंड पाइथन बहुत अच्छी लैंग्वेज है. लर्न इट एंड बी वेरी गुड इन इट. डोंट ट्राई टू लर्न 10 डिफरेंट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस एट वंस. अभी आप पाइथन करें तो पाइथन में पूरा फोकस, गिव योर फोकस 100% फोकस टू पाइथन. Then try to learn technologies that are built using Python. Like you can learn Django as a backend framework, or you can learn about Fast API. But if you are interested in AI ML, then go for a PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas. Understand these libraries. Okay, Marksman, you have a full idea about your life. See, Makersman, the thing is that what I exactly know that I just know what I don't want to do, right? So that makes it easier when we understand what I don't want to do, right? So what I've been clear that what I am not interested in, but now I'm figuring out what I want to do exactly. Like I want to build my own startup, and or if I want to work somewhere, I want to work in a startup. That's it. Sasa, hello Sasa, welcome to my stream. What are you building exactly? Sasa, I have built an AI agent, basically an AI agent. Here you can, instead of building the notes manually, you can just tell basically I have a meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow with a client. Make a note. If I just do this, agent will make the note for me. Agent made the note, right? See, agent made that note. And now if I want to mark it as completed, I have finished the meeting with my client. Mark it as completed. Now if I do this, hopefully it will mark it as complete. Okay, fine. Maybe mark the note related to meeting with client as completed. Let's see. Basically we are getting, see, sometimes the agent is falling because I have not used lexical syntaxing. Okay, this is really okay. Vignesh, hello Vignesh, welcome to my stream. Bro, what are the requirements of computer or laptop for programming? What's your specification using now? That this time you're doing code. I did diploma in computer science and engineering, fresher now. See, minimum requirement should be 8 GB RAM laptop. That is more than enough. Like my laptop's RAM is 16 GB RAM, but you can do this in an 8 GB RAM also. Coder YouTuber, what is your startup idea? Coder YouTuber, I want to build an AI startup. That's what I can tell now. Vignesh, first time I'm seeing your channel. Okay, Vignesh, welcome to my stream, brother. I hope you enjoy my stream. Compile, okay, that's a shitty product made out of exponential potential of AI. Basically this AI agent that I'm using, this for my own learning. Basically I wanted to learn how to build AI agents. I will not be deploying this product. This is for my own learning. Basically I built an AI agent from scratch. So this project is for my own learning, and to be honest I learned a lot. Basically I learned the entire concept of tool calling with this project. So yeah. Vishal, I need your insight on performing a root cause analysis for slow learning MongoDB queries in production. Specifically, what are the methods or identifying bottlenecks? I have been struggling for long. Basically, one thing you can see is that learn where you can use aggregation pipelines. If you are using more than one, what is that called? More than one references of models, then maybe you can go for aggregation pipeline instead of populate method. Maybe you can do that. That's one bottleneck. Or another bottleneck would be, just call the required fields when you're searching anything. Just call the required fields, not everything. Sasa, do you think you are over engineering a simple to do app? Actually, Sasa, yes, I am over. Yeah, I agree with you. I am over engineering here but my goal here is to learn how to build AI agents from scratch. That's why I'm trying to do everything here. Basically I want to learn how to build AI agents, and probably I have built an AI agent. There are a few issues here, so yeah. 91 ऑरा, हेलो 91 ऑरा, क्या मैं पाइथन प्लस साइबर सिक्योरिटी करूं? सी साइबर सिक्योरिटी का मुझे इतना नॉलेज नहीं है, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम द राइट पर्सन टू कमेंट ऑन दैट, बट पाइथन तो काफ़ी वर्सेटाइल लैंग्वेज है, आप कर सकते हो. विग्नेश, आई एम एंजॉइंग योर चैनल ब्रो, बट आई हैव माई लैपटॉप विथ कोर i3 7 Gen 4 1 TB. ओ दैट्स फाइन. सी 4 GB रैम में भी आप वेब डेव कर लोगे आराम से. Competitive programming. Why are you using Postgres instead of MongoDB? Actually, competitive programming, I wanted to work with SQL database because in my past project, if you see my previous project, which was a social media application, there I used MongoDB. Basically, this project. In this project, I use MongoDB. This is a project that I have built. You guys can use it. It's a social media application. You can use this project. Here I use MongoDB, so I thought, why not? Let's go for SQL database in this project. Makers man. Or confirmation message before deleting all files. Additional, there should be an option to restore deleted files, so users can recover them if they are removed by mistake. Yeah, actually, that is, if this was an end-to-end product that I was building for people, then I would definitely add those things. Before deleting, there should be a pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete? Something like that. Aniket Das. Hello, Aniket. Welcome to my stream. How are you? So this is done. Okay. Mark the note related to meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow with client as completed. Yeah, see, now it marked as so basically why sometimes it is failing is here in my backend. Before here, if you come, close this, and close this. If you come here and if you go to backend src AI, and if I go to my where is it, agent. Yeah, before we are executing the agent, I usually what we do, we use something called lexical syntax or lexical semantic. Yeah, basically we try to find the core word, and then we perform the action, but I'm not doing that here. That's why sometimes it is playing. For example, play cricket. I already played cricket, mark it as completed. Let's see, played cricket, unauthorized request. Okay, I logged out. Okay, fine, because token is getting expired. Test user 2 @gmail.com. test user 2, sign in. Makers man, can you tell me about social media project? Yeah, basically if you come here, where is it? Here I built this project using Monstack, and I use MongoDB as a database. Not this one. Hold on. What was it? Just a sec. If you come to this project, and basically people are actually using this project. It's a social media application where you can upload videos.
Obsession's gonna be talent every time.
You can comment. Then you can also see the profile. You can follow a user. You can unfollow a user. You can message a user. Hello. Then another user is, and I've also used real-time communication in this project. And here we can also upload images in chat. That is one thing, and you can see the unread messages. Hello. And then after this, if you want to upload something, you can go to upload. Here you can create a post, you can upload an image or upload a video. Basically this Tom Cruise, Lokesh, he created this project, this post. Lokesh created this post. All right, and people are using it, people are liking it, and here also you can edit and delete the post. Fine. So basically you can update your bio, you can edit your profile image, you can do these things here. Yeah, so and I have used Docker also. I have deployed it in a VPS using Docker, and I have also used Nginx for reverse proxy. So basically, it's a total production grade application, and people are using it. And this is the entire code. Here I have used Nginx, Docker, everything. All right. So there we go. Here I was here, and okay. Aniket Das. I'm getting project for HRs by I'm getting rejected by okay, hold on. Aniket Das, I'm getting rejected by HRs for not having a technical degree. Basically, see, in India, people go for BTech and all those things, but that's why you should go for startups. Try to, you know, just a sec. अरे भाई okay. Aniket Das, I would suggest that you should go for startups. Try to target startups. I saw my post. Okay, Tom Cruise code. Yeah, look, haha. I could hope I could create one good project like this, but my dumb brain is too slow. See, don't blame yourself. Nothing like that. Just try to be consistent and build on the project, on any project every single day. Wise, damn bro, Connect Hub is an absolute banger. Except its name. Yeah, I know. Actually, before when I buy the domain, my goal is that I will buy a domain also. Then I'll change the name. Hold on. Oh. Just a reminder, guys, if you are enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Aniket Das, I need advice. I have bachelor's in life science, non-tech, but want to enter data science. Thinking on getting MSc data science from Manipal online degree. Is it worth it? Just a sec, guys. I'll drink water. Yeah, Lokesh. Drinking water. Hold on. Aniket Das, I need advice. I have bachelor's in life science, but want to enter data science. Thinking on doing MSc data science from Manipal. See, if you want to get into data science, then you can go for a good course instead of, in my opinion, instead of getting an online degree. See, degree. If you are going to get a degree, get it offline. Don't do it online because, in my opinion, online degrees are not valued much. In my opinion, if you are going for degree, go for offline degree. And see, projects will get you jobs. Degrees don't matter now. Seriously, if when I build my startup, when I hire someone, I don't give a shit about degree. I only give a shit about skills. So we are entering a time where degrees don't matter, skills matter. So build projects and you know just go for it. Makers, man, MongoDB is free. Yes, actually, I have used created my own instance inside the server of a MongoDB server. I have not used MongoDB Atlas. I have installed MongoDB as a Docker image inside my server, so it is free. Bharat, future of for Java backend developer. Future is good. MNCs are using Java, so yeah, it's good. Xenex, hello Xenex, welcome to my stream. How to start a project like you without any knowledge and learn from it? Basically, if you want to go for project-based learning, then you should understand the basics first. Like if you're going for MERN stack, understand the basics of MERN stack. Build one or two good projects, like build a simple to-do application with authentication or a blog application with authentication, right? Then deploy end-to-end, deploy it. That is your first thing. You should at least build a simple project. Then you can take help from AI. You can tell AI to help you build the project, build the ER relationship, all those things. Then you just code. AI will tell you the steps, but you code it on your own. That's it. Competitive programming. what you learned to do a social media project and the Noter AI. By seeing you, I'm also interested to build something, but I don't know much more. What could do? Not learning from scratch. Any other suggestion? Basically, I learned from this social media application. From this application, I learned how to build enterprise level application alone from scratch. Basically, it's a production grade application. It is running in production. People are using it, and then I also learned how to write deployment ready code. I learned that basically it's a product now. It's just this social media project is not just a project. It has now become a product. So yeah, I have learned that, and with this AI agent application, I've learned the knowledge that I learned from a previous project and used it here. And then I've also learned how to build AI agents from scratch. Now, if I want to use LangChain in future, I know whatever I built from scratch, LangChain can do it better, but LangChain will be doing the same thing behind the scenes, right? And for learning, I will suggest that build projects. Lokesh, online degree. What online degree? Abhay Punt. Hello Abhay, welcome to my stream. I have less than 60 in 12th. I am eligible for placement 2024 pass out without CS degree. Suggest me. See, without CS degree, you can get, if you have skills, deploy those skills, build projects, deploy those projects, right? And I will suggest you try to go for remote jobs in startups in USA, UK, Canada, Australia. That is better, because in India, people they will go for your skills, your degree. Like they will go for BTech only students, something like that. Aniket Das, yes, online, is it worth it? Confused right now. It's not going to clear the ATS screening. See, Aniket, as I said, for degree, if you want to go, I will suggest go for offline degree instead of online degree. If you're going for online, go for online, from better institutes, maybe. Lokesh, wait, so we can do dual degree. Current I'm doing BCA, so I can do join online some degree too. I want to do BBA too. BBA, okay. Yeah, you can do dual degree if you are doing somewhere offline, and you can do online degree as well. Vishal, you aren't over engineering this. Since we are both learning phase, tackling every new workflow piece by piece is the best way to truly understand the execution context. Keep doing it. You motivate me. Oh, thanks, Vishal. Thanks a lot. Yeah, basically, with this Noter AI project, I learned how to build AI agents. Right. So that's why I'm try to do different things. Jack Pa. Hello, Jack Papa. Welcome to my stream. What are your thoughts on data science and ML? Because I am fresher and looking for the opportunity. I'm shortlisted by companies like Fempay, but I can't end up landing the job. See, the thing is that AIML is a very good field and it has lots of potential. But when you are trying to go into that, don't just do it because it's trending now. Do it because you are really interested in it and you want to build something in that. You want to contribute to it, right? So do it for that reason. And if you are really interested, then when you go into AIML, learn the concepts, then build projects. हर्ष गौर, हेलो हर्ष, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया कैसे हो आप? तो मोटिवेशन हो कि कोडिंग करो. आप तो मोटिवेशन हो कि कोडिंग करो. ओके, थैंक यू हर्ष, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. Hi D5N8P. Hello, hi, welcome to my stream. From where you learned LangChain and LangGraph? I don't know LangChain and LangGraph. I built AI agent from scratch. I did not use LangChain and LangGraph. Lokesh, understand the code. True. Harsh Gaur, Bhaiya, what is library? And I saw that some of the YouTube teachers taught that ask about a code on ChatGPT and then paste it in code to build the project. That's a really good approach to make project. See, Harsh, I will not suggest any fresher to just copy paste code from AI. I will suggest the fresher to take AI help only when he gets stuck or he or she gets stuck. Then ask AI what is the error, how to solve it. Then try to solve it on your own. Just use AI as a teacher. Don't just copy paste it. Hitesh, hello Hitesh, welcome to my stream. What's the roadmap for Java backend developer and how to start? See, Hitesh, the backend is really for Java backend. You should learn First goal is you should understand Java properly. Then you need to learn Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a backend framework built using Java. That is the go-to backend framework for Java developers. So learn Spring Boot, learn Spring Security, then try to build good REST APIs. Learn how to what are entities. Then how to use entities. What is repository layer? What is service layer? What is controllers? Understand those things. Then try to build authentication. What is JSON Web Token in Spring Boot? How to connect databases. Then try to build full stack backend APIs using Spring Boot. Abhay, I have CS degree but not eligible for placement due to less than 60 degree in 12. Suggest me how to get job offline 2024 pass out. See, I have CS degree but not eligible for placement. Okay, for if you want to crack offline placement, build good projects, deploy. If you deploy the projects, you are beating the competition, half of the competition. If your project is deployed, so deploy your projects, and then keep applying. That's it. चिराग नायडू, हेलो चिराग, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई कितना टाइम लगता है एआई एजेंट सीखने में और क्या स्कोप है एजेंट एआई डेवलपर का? चिराग, बेसिकली दिस इज द 8th डे ऑफ द स्ट्रीम आई थिंक. होल्ड ऑन, आई थिंक आज कौन सा दिन है भाई स्ट्रीम का? ये एआई एजेंट, या 8, दिस इज द 8th day. So basically I learned how to build AI agent in 8 days, right? So if you're consistent enough, if you're giving time and you know a basic of web development, then you can build AI agent in a week. That's it. And agent developer का काफ़ी डिमांड है. लाइक अभी तो पूरा ये सब एजेंट डेवलपर के पास ही जा रहे हैं. It's Nikhil. I want to learn graphic API for specific purpose. Where to start? OpenGI for now. What is graphic API? Makers man, can we build a website like Hootsuite where users can log in and connect their social media accounts to track engagement rates and view? Yeah, you can create that. See, this is a very good idea, but here the major issue is, for example, in an application you want to let user log in through the Instagram. Then you need to create a meta developer account. You need to get the developer API key. Then you need to submit why you are building this app and all those things. Then they will approve it, I think. So only issue is that getting the approval, but the idea is very good. Vignesh, bro, can you suggest me what kind of project I can do? Being a diploma CS fresher, I am searching for a job now. You said I can do web development. Can you? Okay, fresher. Okay, CS. See, as a web dev, I will suggest you, if you're a fresher, learn Stack because it is very easy to learn, and build projects and deploy them. You can start building a good, maybe start with as a beginner, build a full stack to do application, then deploy them. Then again build a bit more complex application like a social media application or on an e-commerce application, right? Then deploy them. And you can also learn about caching, rate limiting, all those things. Aniket, I need a video, sir, on how to cold email startup founders. Which platform do you use for finding startups are currently looking for developers, for example a modern developer in your case? Aniket, yes, I will try to create a video on how to find jobs in startups. So I'll create a video on that. And there are good resources like Wellfound, We Work Remotely, these websites. Jack Papa, hello Jack Papa, welcome to my stream. Hold on, delete the notes that are marked as completed. Let's see, send. Oh no, basically token is getting expired. Okay, hold on. Test user2@gmail.com. Test user2, sign in. Remove all the notes that are marked as completed. Yeah, done. Okay. Jack Papa, I do have interest in it. I do have interest in it, but it's freaking me out. is they are looking for experience as a fresher. I don't want a fake experience. Yeah, you should not fake experience, you know, but build projects, so complex projects that they cannot believe that a fresher built it. That is the best thing. राजा, भाई कोई AI बता दो, create the thumbnail. या एक ऐसा AI बना सकते हैं, एक AI एजेंट बना सकते हैं, create a thumbnail. Maybe it's a good, it sounds like an interesting project. अभय for sure. भाई बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रही है, क्या चीज़ करूँ मर्न, डेटा एनालिटिक्स एक्सेट्रा, कैन यू सजेस्ट मी समथिंग प्लीज. कंफ्यूजन आपको क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि शायद आप मार्केट ट्रेंड्स देखना चाह रहे हो कि आपको मन कर रहा है वेब डेवलपमेंट करने का, बट मार्केट ट्रेंड जा रहा है एआई की तरफ, तो आपको एआई करना है. ऐसा अगर आप फील करें तो बताओ, अगर ऐसा करें तो मैं फिर बताऊंगा क्या करना है इसके आगे. वैभव शर्मा, हेलो वैभव शर्मा, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. I am Android dev. I usually do Kotlin for front end and KTOR for back end. Should I continue with this tech stack or shift to mainstream tech stack? I think you should shift to mainstream tech stack because, you know, see, for front end, Kotlin is very popular. But for backend, maybe you should go for something more, you know, that has lots of resources online. Maybe when you get stuck, you get resources or help. ABCD, भैया कल फ्रेंच का एग्ज़ाम है, बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा फ्रेंच करने का, रात में वाला काम कर लिया, रातने वाला रटने वाला काम कर लिया, कोई नहीं आज. अरे वो बोलते हैं ना फ्रेंच में, क्या बोलते हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग मदाम, समथिंग ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं ना. कल नहीं आज, ओके. और मैं तो बोलूँगा पढ़ो भाई. इट्स निखिल गॉड. The programs or anything you are able to see on your screen, is it managed by graphics API like Vultr, Vulkan, DirectX or OpenGL? It will tell GPU to draw objects on the screen. It is pretty specific and low level. No, I'm not using GraphicQL. The programs or anything that you are able to see on your screen. Okay. No, I'm not using that. Makers man. Are you using Y Combinator to apply jobs or at startups? Basically, this Y Combinator here is for apply my startup. So I have already bookmarked it. So when I build my startup, I'll apply for Y Combinator. Vignesh, this is so sweet of you, bro, that you're replying to each comments here. So nice to see your channel. Thank you for suggesting me something. Oh, welcome Vignesh. And you know, I try to read all the comments and you know help people as much as I can. आकाशदीप, हेलो आकाशदीप, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. रात में वाला काम कर लिया. अबे फॉर श्योर, यस ब्रो, लाइक दिस सब बोलते हैं वेब डेव एआई से हो जाएगा, सो कुछ और सीखो. सी अभय, क्या होता है ना कि एआई हो रहा है, एआई में काफ़ी ग्रोथ है, बट अगर आप एआई की तरफ जा रहे हो तो मैं तो आई विल सजेस्ट टू गो इनटू डीपर एआई, लाइक गो फॉर डीप लर्निंग एक्सपर्ट और ट्राई टू लर्न अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर. बेसिकली मैं तो खुद ही अभी ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर पढ़ रहा हूँ. बेसिकली अगर आप मेरे यूट्यूब में आओगे ना, मेरे प्लेलिस्ट देखोगे, होल्ड ऑन, वेयर इज माय प्लेलिस्ट, मैं एक प्लेलिस्ट मार्क करके रखा हूँ, होल्ड ऑन, वेयर इज इट, प्लेलिस्ट, वेयर इज इट, दिस वन, दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मर. इस बंदे ने खुद से ट्रांसफॉर्मर बनाया है, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि नेक्स्ट में अब ट्रांसफॉर्मर बनाते हैं खुद का, तो आई ट्राई टू बिल्ड माई ओन ट्रांसफॉर्मर. सो या, बट मैं तो बोलूँगा कि आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है वो करो. अगर आपको वेब डेव में इंटरेस्ट है, वेब डेव करो. और एआई भी अगर मैं जाना है तो डीप में जाओ, बेसिक्स में जस्ट सरफेस लेवल मत सीखो, डीप में सीखो. ABCD bonjour, yeah, ABCD bonjour, competitive programming. Just tell me what about DSA other than the projects. Just tell me about DSA other than the projects. Yeah, competitive programming. See, DSA, in my experience, what I have faced is that only arrays and strings are good enough to crack companies. If you are targeting FANG and all, that is a different thing. There they will ask deep questions. But if you are just you want to be interview ready, arrays and strings are good enough for cracking interviews. Code by Anonymous. Hello, Code by Anonymous. Welcome to my stream. Bro, can you give the Discord so we can all connect? Code by Anonymous. I have not created a Discord link yet. I'll create it and I'll share it. आकाशदीप, मैंने सुना है इंडिया एआई भी अडाप्ट स्टेज में है. सच है, एआई भी अडाप्टिंग, इंडिया एआई भी अडाप्टिंग स्टेज में है. इसका मतलब क्या, थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं आप आकाशदीप? ओके, सो instead of update the note, play cricket and make it win the World Cup. Let's see. Yeah, win the World Cup. See, this got updated. Mark the note related to World Cup as completed. Let's see. Yeah, it has been marked. Okay. Shivam, dude, which college are you from? Shivam, I completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Lokesh B, he's saying that India is still adapting AI. Yeah, India is still adapting AI. Abhay, for sure. How can I learn deeper AI ML करूँ? AI ML करूँ? डीपर AI में बेसिकली ना पहले आप पांडा सीखो, पाइथन सीखो, नमपाई सीखो, ठीक है, फिर पाइटॉर्च सीखो, फिर पाइटॉर्च के बाद आप ML सीख रहे हो, ML के सारे एल्गोरिदम्स खुद से पाइटॉर्च में बनाओ खुद से, ठीक है, फिर ऐसे करके डीप लर्निंग में जाओ, न्यूरल नेटवर्क खुद से बनाओ, ट्रांसफॉर्मर के बारे में सीखो, खुद से बनाओ, ठीक है, उसके बाद LLM खुद से बनाओ. ये हो गया सरफेस लेवल, ये भी सरफेस लेवल है. उसके बाद आपको और घुसना है इसमें, तो और क्या आप सीख सकते हो, जैसे लॉस कैसे रिड्यूस करते हैं, ठीक है, कोई भी मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम में एडअप क्या बोलते हैं, वो सब क्या होता है, एक्टिवेशन फंक्शंस, रेल्यू क्या होते हैं, सिग्मॉइड क्या होता है, टैनेज क्या होता है, ये सब इसके बारे में सीखो, और कब कहाँ क्यों यूज़ होता है, ये सब के बारे में सीखो. फिर ड्रॉप आउट लेयर्स क्या हो, काफ़ी चीज़ है AI/ML में. Marksman, voice prompt available in Note AI? Not yet. I should have given a voice prompt because that makes sense. It makes things really easy. I should add voice. Okay. Maybe we can add voice. Hold on. Let's go for voice. Hold on. OpenAI. Go for OpenAI. Maybe here documentation, developers, docs, and in the docs, text generation, audio and speech. Explore audio and speech features in OpenAI API. Okay, the OpenAI provides a range of audio capabilities. If you know what you want to build, find your use case below to get started. Okay, build voice agents, transcribe audio, speak text, turn text into natural sounding speech. Okay, convert speech to text. Okay, I want to work with this. Okay, fine. Okay, maybe here, yeah, we can add this. Who said this? Makersman. Yeah, Makersman, that's a very good suggestion. I think I will be adopting this suggestion. Here I'll create a mic feature. I'll create a mic button, and once a user clicks on it, user can speak, and then AI will perform the task. Okay, yeah, I'll add this mic feature. So next target will be to add this mic feature. Okay. संकेत, हेलो संकेत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई मैं 20 साल के का आपके जैसा कैसे बनूं बताओ. प्रैक्टिस करो, एक अच्छा टेक स्टैक पकड़ो, उसको अच्छे से सीखो और प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के डिप्लॉय करो. अभय फॉर श्योर, BCA सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ, दिमाग ही गया इतना सब सीखने में. अच्छा, आपको थोड़े एफर्ट्स देने पड़ेंगे, आपको कंसिस्टेंट रहना पड़ेगा. काफ़ी बार एरर आएंगे, एरर से डरना नहीं है, एरर को सॉल्व करना है. AI की यूज़ करो अगर एरर खुद से सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, बट कोड को सीखो एंड देन इम्प्लीमेंट करो. शिवम, हेलो शिवम, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. What is your sass about? Watching your channel for the first time and really impressed. Thank you, Shivam. Actually, I want to build an AI SaaS, and see, basically, I have figured out the target customer for my SaaS. So I want to build an AI SaaS for people like fitness coaches or life coaches, motivational coaches, or any coach, any sort of coach, right? Who can transform somebody's life, and that person wants to find client and wants something. So I want to help that kind of a person get clients. So my AI agent, my AI SaaS is built around that idea. So I'm still in an ideation phase. Makers, okay. Makersman, is there any option to upload videos or images or docs? Makersman, in my social media application, you can upload videos and images. Docs you cannot upload in my social media application. अबे फॉर श्योर HTML CSS जावास्क्रिप्ट कर रखी है. Should I go with MERN? Yes, go with MERN away for sure. Go with MERN stack. विभू गुप्ता, हेलो विभू, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई डायरेक्टली भाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट बाय जोमेटो का क्लोन बना दिया एंड टू एंड तक. है प्रोजेक्ट फॉर इंटर्न. ठीक है, ये प्रोजेक्ट फॉर इंटर्न या अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है ये, बट इसको आप डिप्लॉय करो. कोडिंग, did you validate your SAS? If yes, how? I did not validate my SAS yet. Basically what I will do is that I will create an MVP version, I will deploy it just the way I validated my social media application. This is my social media. I built it in front of people so that people can use it. People are actually using it, and till now I'm getting positive feedbacks. So people are liking this social media. And similarly, when I build my SAS, I'll create an MVP version and I'll deploy it, and then I'll tell people to use it, and I'll get the feedbacks. संकेत, भाई मेरा फैमिली बिजनेस है तो मैं उसमें कोई जाऊँ कि ये सब सीखूँ फिर जॉब करूँ. देखो, मैं तो बोलता फैमिली बिजनेस है, ठीक है, आपको जॉब नहीं करना, इट्स फाइन. जॉब में तो बोलता अगर मेरा खुद का फैमिली बिजनेस अगर होता तो मैं जॉब नहीं करता. बट फैमिली बिजनेस मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि फैमिली बिजनेस के जाने के अलावा भी आप खुद भी ये सब सीख सकते हो, है ना. सीखो खुद से और कुछ बनाओ अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि आपके वो कम से कम वो टेंशन तो नहीं रहेगा ना कि जॉब करके पैसे कमाने हैं. आपके पास फैमिली बिजनेस है तो उसका फ़ायदा लो. फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन करो, पैसे कमाओ और अपना भूख को जारी रखो. लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ट्राई टू बिल्ड समथिंग दैट पीपल विल यूज, एंड मे बी यू कैन बिल्ड द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग. सनिधि, अभी मैं फुल स्टैक जावा सीखने का सोच. ओके, जस्ट 1 second गाइज, आई जस्ट मेक one thing. I'll commit this code, then I'll read the chats. So next thing is that I want to add that voice feature. Add a commit. If I come to my GitHub here, not this. Front end, SRC. Just a sec, guys. I'll start reading the charts again. Just a sec. API. API.ts. Okay, fine. So this is correct. Then come to my profile, close this, and I need to read this documentation also. Okay. सनिधि, हेलो सनिधि, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अभी मैं फुल स्टैक जावा सीखने का सोच रही हूँ, तो इसमें किस तरह के एप्लीकेशन हम बना सकते हैं. फुल स्टैक जावा में आप कुछ भी बना सकते हो. काफ़ी इंटरप्राइज लेवल एप्लीकेशन बनता है फुल स्टैक जावा में. तो आप पहले जावा करो, ठीक है, फिर आप स्प्रिंग बूट सीखो. स्प्रिंग बूट एक जावा बेस्ड बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क है. आप स्प्रिंग बूट सीखो, स्प्रिंग सिक्योरिटी सीखो, वो ऑथेंटिकेशन में काम आता है. और फिर आप कुछ भी बना सकते, जैसे नेटफ्लिक्स आपने यूज़ करती होगी, नेटफ्लिक्स वो स्प्रिंग बूट यूज़ करता है ना. तो स्प्रिंग बूट काफ़ी पावरफुल फ्रेमवर्क है, बट वो एंटरप्राइज एप्लीकेशंस में यूज़ होता है. लाइक उसमें एक साथ अगर आपके साथ 500 या 1000 डेवलपर एक साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हैं ना, तब आपको स्प्रिंग बूट जैसा एक फ्रेमवर्क लगेगा. लोकेश, thinking to add this real feature, I'll use movie clips, non-copyright clips from YouTube. If a user likes the clip, they can click the movie name and it will redirect them to the OTT platform. Yeah, that is nice, Lokesh. Actually, it's a this has a monetizable use case. Basically, in your application, people can come to your app. Movie enthusiasts can come to your app. They can find clips, and if they click on it, they will go to the OTT that has this clip, right? So basically, if these apps get lots of users, then OTT companies will pay you, right, to show their clips on your social media. Coding, hello coding, welcome to my stream. How old are you if you are comfortable? Coding, I am 25 years old. Abhay. Hello, Abhay. Welcome to my stream. Bro, I really appreciate you for answering the questions. Thank you. Welcome, Abhay. Welcome, man. सनी दी, मुझे प्रोजेक्ट समझ नहीं आते हैं कि मतलब किस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट चूज़ करूँ ताकि मैं जॉब ले सकूँ. देखो, कोई भी फ्रेमवर्क सीखने के लिए आपको बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट्स पहले बनाना चाहिए. आप सीधा अगर आप सोचोगे कि सोशल मीडिया बनाना है, कोई भी नया टेक स्टैक सीख के, तो नहीं होता है. पहले आपको बेसिक सीखने पड़ेंगे. पहले आप कोई भी फ्रेमवर्क के बेसिक सीखो, उसके बाद सिंपल सा टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, उसके बाद एक ब्लॉग एप्लीकेशन बनाओ. अगर आपको जावा का रिसोर्स चाहिए तो जावा का एक अच्छा यूट्यूब चैनल है एम्बार्क नाम का. You can go to YouTube and you can search EmbarkX. This is a very good YouTube channel if somebody is interested into Java full stack. This is a very good YouTube channel. You can learn this. You learn from this YouTube channel a lot. Billionaire's mindset. Hello Billionaire's mindset. Welcome to my stream. HTML, CSS, JavaScript basic सीखना है मुझे. SaaS वेबसाइट बनाई है. आगे का बताओ क्या सीखूँ. HTML, CSS, JavaScript बेसिक सीख ली, मुझे SaaS वेबसाइट बनानी है. ओके, आपको HTML, CSS, JavaScript आता, अच्छी बात है. अब आप बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क सीखो. आप, मैं तो बोलूँगा Node.js और Expressjs सीखो, और उसके बाद आप Reactjs सीखो. अगर आप एक बार आप Reactjs सीख गए, फिर आप तीनों यूज़ करके फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. विभू गुप्ता, शुड आई डिप्लॉय इट फुल्ली यूजिंग AWS और बस रेंडर और वर्सल से कर दूँ. मैं तो बोलूँगा AWS से करो, क्योंकि ना वर्सल क्या है ना कि ईजी है. कोई मतलब खुद का सिंपल सैस बनाना तो सही है, लेकिन क्या है ना कि स्किल उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ सीख नहीं रहे हो. आप चुपचाप अपना गिटहब रिपोजिटरी डाल रहे हो और बाकी वर्सल काम कर रहे हैं. बट अगर आपको जॉब रेडी बनना है या कोई स्टार्टअप से या कंपनी ज्वाइन करनी है और आपको उनको कन्विंस करना है कि मैं खुद से डिप्लॉय कर सकता हूँ एक VPS में, तो मैं तो बोलूँगा AWS में करो खुद से. संकेत, हेलो संकेत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई तुम और हम मिलके एक बिजनेस चालू करते हैं. हाँ संकेत, कर सकते हैं. आप आइडिया बताओ, इंस्टाग्राम में मैसेज करो, फिर बात करते हैं. अभी तो मेरे खुद का SaaS का आइडिया है, तो एक बार वो SaaS बना लूँ, फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है उसके बाद. मेकर्स मैन, इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन टू साइन इन यूजिंग गूगल अकाउंट? मेकर्स मैन, इन माई सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन वी कैन नॉट साइन इन विथ गूगल और एनी थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन, बिकॉज if you see any social media like Instagram, Facebook or LinkedIn, I don't know about LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, Facebook or Snapchat, no, Snapchat में Google है, maybe Instagram, Facebook, they tell you to log in from your own email, right? So if my application grows, and maybe then I can start something similar to login with Connect Hub, so that's why I did not implement that Google login here. लोकेश भी, गिट से लॉगिन क्या है क्या? हाँ, मैंने VS कोड में गिटहब से लॉगिन किया है. संकेत, भाई मेरे पापा सही कहते थे, ये शर्मा जी के लड़के को देखो टॉपर है. थैंक यू संकेत. सनिधि, थैंक यू. आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड दैट यू विल आंसर माई क्वेश्चंस. ओ वेलकम सनिधि. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू रीड ऑल द कमेंट्स एंड ट्राई टू हेल्प एज मच एज आई कैन. संकेत, भाई ये SaaS भी पहले बहुत ही गया थी, शायद थी. ऑलराइट एवरीवन, अब थोड़ा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ते हैं. आई रीड द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. बेसिकली नेक्स्ट फीचर इज टू इम्प्लीमेंट as makers man, he suggested that we should add this voice feature. Basically in the voice feature we can speak to the agent and tell agent what to do, basically to create a node or something like that. So I'll do that, I'll implement that. So I need to read some documentation now. बिलियनर्स माइंडसेट, अच्छा ब्रो, मुझे AI एजेंट बनाना है ताकि वो कस्टमर से बात करे और उसको सर्विस दे. एक सही एजेंट कैसे बनाऊँ, किस पर स्कोप करना पड़ेगा AI एजेंट बनाने के लिए, जैसे अभी ChatGPT? आपको सबसे पहले अगर स्क्रैच से बनाना है तो आपको खुद से एजेंट टूल कॉलिंग सीखना पड़ेगा, टूल कॉलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. अगर आपको स्क्रैच से नहीं बनाना है तो LangChain यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप. LangChain काफ़ी यूज़ होता है AI एजेंट्स बनाने में. अगर आपको नो कोड में जाना है तो N10 यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप. अभय, फॉर श्योर भाई, एक वीडियो बनाओ लाइक योर फुल स्टोरी ऑफ हाउ यू स्टार्ट एंड विच टेक स्टैक यू स्टार्टेड विथ, ऑल द थिंग्स इन अ सॉर्टेड मैनर, सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू रीच एट दैट पॉइंट. ओके अभय, आई विल क्रिएट अ वीडियो लाइक दैट. आई विल पोस्ट इट इन माई YouTube, in my channel only. So I'll create a video like that. All right. So in this speech to text, learn how to turn audio to text. Okay. The audio API provide two speech to text endpoints, transcriptions and translations. Okay. Historically, both endpoints have been backed by our open source Whisper model. Okay, the transcription endpoint also supports higher quality model snapshots with limited parameter support. Okay. All endpoints can be used to transcribe audio into whatever language the audio is in. Translate it and the audio into okay. File uploads are continued to 25 MB and the following input file types are supported MP3. Okay, fine. No non-speaker reference clips for diarization except the same formats when provided as data URLs. Okay, fine. Whisper support JSON, text, SRT. Okay. Mm-hmm. File, audio file. Okay. By default, the response type will be text. Imagine the wildest audio file. I need to get the audio file. Okay. संकेत भाई मेरा एक दोस्त है वो 3D लोगोज बना के देता है कंपनी के लिए वेबसाइट्स में इम्प्लांट करने के लिए कॉलेज ने उसको 50 लाख का फंड दिया है अच्छा भाई सही है कौन सा कॉलेज है भाई competitive programming bro can I use Django for backend and React for frontend other than one yes competitive programming you can definitely use Django for backend and React for frontend I've built projects using Django backend and React frontend so it's a very good tech stack you can go with that संकेत भाई तुम अभी करंट कौन सी फील्ड में काम कर रहे हो जिससे तुम कमा रहे हो मैं अभी एज अ फ्रीलांसर काम करता हूँ और मैं कंसल्टेशन कॉल प्रोवाइड करता हूँ लाइक पीपल हु यू नो जिसको मेरा लाइक in depth guidance चाहिए मेरा to crack job as a full stack developer or even to get skills that can help them to build their own SaaS or startups I get them on a call with me it's a paid call so that I get only people who are serious about that so अगर किसी को जॉब के लिए गाइडेंस चाहिए या फिर किसी को खुद का SaaS या स्टार्टअप बनाने के लिए गाइडेंस चाहिए तो I get them on a call with me and I try to understand their strengths and weaknesses and their current skills then I create a dedicated action plan that they can follow for next few months that will help them to reach their goal तो यही करता हूँ Anonymous, what is your work experience, bro? Anonymous, I have 1 year of work experience. I have worked in a company, and I worked also as a full stack developer, and I have also worked as a 6-month contractor in a startup. Sanket, paid call के charge क्या है? Sanket, you can DM me on Instagram. There I can give you the details. You can get the Instagram link in the description of this stream. You can DM me on Instagram. There we can, I will tell you how you can book a call with me. Competitive programming. Bro, if you do work with Django and you're doing MERN 2 and to get a placement, one will work, right? Yes, one will work. Basically, now I'm with MERN stack. Now I'm working with MERN stack. So yeah, pick one tech stack, but be very good in it. सनीधी वेल AI एजेंट तो बना दूं बट ये जितने अभी नैनो बनाना और VO3 जैसे मॉडल तो बहुत है एक्सपेंसिव है तो अगर खुद का मॉडल बनाना हो तो क्या करना होगा मतलब AI एजेंट तो सभी लोग बना रहे हैं अगर आपको खुद का मॉडल बनाना है तो सबसे पहले आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर क्या होता है वो सीखना पड़ेगा ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर एक डीप लर्निंग मॉडल बोल सकते हैं उस मॉडल यूज करके हम लोग LLMs बनाते हैं ठीक है अगर वही आपको वो सब यूज़ करना है क्या बोलते हैं वीडियो जनरेशन वॉइस जनरेशन तो कम से कम आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मर तो बेसिक सीखना पड़ेगा ठीक है उसके बाद आप वो सब सीख सकते हैं कि स्टेबल डिफ्यूजन एल्गोरिदम क्या है वो सब आप सीख सकते हैं अगर आपको खुद का AI एजेंट बनाना है तो सबसे पहले मतलब खुद का वैसा मॉडल बनाना है तो आपको डेटा कलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा डेटा को क्लीन करना पड़ेगा उसके बाद मॉडल बना के ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा Anonymous, I just stumbled upon your channel right now and loved how you build projects. Oh, thank you, Anonymous, and welcome to my stream, brother. I hope you enjoy my streams. Lokesh, bro, like if I get too many users, can I mail OTT platform and say them to feature their clips on my website? Yes, absolutely, you can do that. But at least you should get at least 100k users, like 1 lakh users in your application, active users. Then only you will be in a position to talk to them and work with them. Byte Supreme, hello Byte Supreme, welcome to my stream. भाई अगर वाइब कोडिंग से हम एडवांस प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं तो कंपनी जॉब क्यों दे रही है सी वाइब कोडिंग क्या है ना कि आपको एमवीपी वगैरह बनाना इजी है, लेकिन कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कम से कम आपको थोड़ा ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन लगता है। उसमें आपको खुद से कोड थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा, एरर आएगा खुद से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, है ना। तो वो उसके लिए अभी भी कंपनी हायर कर रही है। Anonymous, if possible, please bring a video on network programming if possible for you. Okay, Anonymous, I'll try to make a video on that. Basically, network programming, we have different TCP protocol, HTTP protocol, WebSockets, socket programming, handshake, duplex communication, multiplex communication, or singleplex, uniplex or singleplex, I think. या यूनिप्लेक्स समथिंग, या वो सब होता है। तो वो मैंने कॉलेज में पढ़ा था। और अभी वेब डेवलपमेंट में आई वर्क विथ वेब आर टी सी, सो रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन, एच टी टी पी वी ऑब्वियसली यूज इट, आई एम ऑल्सो यूजिंग सॉकेट्स, सो या सनिधि। ओके ओके, गॉट इट, या फाइन। संकेत भाई, मेरे को एक सर्वर रूम बनाना है और कंपनी को स्टोरेज प्रोवाइड करनी है। सर्वर रूम और कंपनी को स्टोरेज प्रोवाइड करनी है, तो मैं कैसे करूं? देखो, सर्वर रूम क्या होता है, बेसिकली सर्वर इज अ कंप्यूटिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, है ना। तो स्टार्ट करने के लिए आप एक खुद का एक जीपीयू लो, सीपीयू लो, रैम लो, और उसको लाइक थोड़ा एक यूनिक्स के ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से कनेक्ट करो और उसको बस पोर्ट उसका ओपन करो। ऐसे आपको बेसिक से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। सागर, हेलो सागर, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई कंफ्यूजन इतनी है, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, किसकी वीडियोस देखूँ, सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज लेना वर्थ इट है या नहीं, नहीं तो किसकी ले। लाइक आपको क्या सीखना है सागर? अगर आप थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक हो कि आप किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हो तो मैं आपको हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। ओके, फाइल ऑडियो, ओके, एक फाइल उठाना पड़ेगा, ऑडियो फाइल, ओके, देन हियर दिस मॉडल एंड वी पास द फाइल, देन वी गेट द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन डॉट टेक्स्ट, ओके, इससे टेक्स्ट मिल जाएगा। बाई डिफॉल्ट रिस्पॉन्स विल बी अ जेसन with the raw text included, okay. The audio API also allows you to set additional parameters in a request. For example, if you want to set response format as text, your request would look like the following. Okay, open AI import client, okay, transcribe, create model file, okay, एक audio file I have to create, got it, response dot underscore format text, okay, speaker diarization. Basically this is the main thing, this thing, audio file and model, then it will get the text. All right, for okay, in Python no, I need JavaScript, and here and also I need, okay, this is JavaScript only. File create audio allows you to set addition, okay, fine. वाइट सुप्रीम, भाई आपको डेली कितने क्लाइंट्स मिल जाते हैं डेली? लाइक पीपल दोज हु नो मी, दे वर्क लाइक दे नीड माई गाइडेंस, सो डेली मिनिमम 2 क्लाइंट्स तो मिल, मतलब लाइक आई हैव क्लाइंट, लाइक आई हैव कॉल्स एवरी सिंगल डे। सो दिन में मैं कॉल्स ही अपना लेता हूँ, जिसको गाइडेंस डिटेल में चाहिए रहता है वो लोग से मैं वो लोग को हेल्प करता हूँ, तो वही। And guys, if anybody is interested, if they want my detailed guidance, they can DM me on Instagram. You can book a call with me. It's paid, but like if you want detailed guidance, then only you can DM. Okay. Sagar, bro, wanna learn Mon and Mon stack web development. If you want to learn Mon, then I will suggest you go with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Pick one good. You should go to Chai or Code YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube channel. From there you can learn JavaScript. From there you can learn backend, and from there you can learn React also. So that channel can help you. Mohammad Yusuf, hello Mohammad Yusuf, welcome to my stream. I am 2025 pass out in AI and DS, and I was passionate in web dev and done web dev and DevOps and cloud, and then got a 6-month internship and completed. Then now doing freelancing with vibe coding for project done. Okay, as I'm more addicted to vibe coding, so I'm getting jobs. So what to do? So I'm not getting jobs. See, basically try to build the backend on your own. Keep your backend strong. Don't use vibe coding for backend. And for front end, just use AI to create the UI part, but write the logics on your own. With that you can also take the help of AI, and with this approach you can also get back with the practice of writing code on your own. संकेत, भाई तुमने तुम्हारी जॉब क्यों छोड़ दी, क्या रीज़न था? संकेत, एक्चुअली मुझे खुद का स्टार्टअप करना है और खुद का SaaS करना है, और आई हैव रियलाइज दिस कि मेरा सबसे बड़ा एसेट मेरा खुद का टाइम है, तो वो टाइम मुझे यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा अपना स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करने के लिए, तो इसलिए मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया. दिव्यांश, हेलो दिव्यांश, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आस्क, आई हैव डन जावा विद स्प्रिंग बूट, वॉट टू डू नेक्स्ट? Have been on lead code for 2 months roughly. I have time to do things roughly for 1.5 years. What to do? Okay, so Divyansh, I will suggest you do DSA every single day. Try only go for 1 or 2 questions every single day. Don't do DSA for 6 hours, 7 hours. No, do it only for 1 or 2 questions every single day. Maximum give 2 hours to DSA, and then as you have done Spring Boot, build projects. Learn React, learn a front end framework, and build full stack projects using Spring Boot as backend, React maybe for front end, and then deploy those projects and build good level projects. And along with that, keep doing DSA. Do it for next 1.5 years. You are good for job. Supreme. बट मुझे नहीं पता था गाइडेंस भी सेल की जा सकती है. मैं फ्री में देता था, अभी एक और बिजनेस में कर सकता हूँ. मैं देखो, कोई चीज़ का क्या है ना कि फ्री का क्या होता है ना, फ्री का ज़्यादा लोग वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, अगर किसी को सही में इंटरेस्ट है, किसी को सही में लाइक डीपली नॉलेज में जाना है, तो मैं अगर उसको गाइड कर रहा हूँ तो मैं उसको क्या दे रहा हूँ, मैं अपना टाइम दे रहा हूँ, है ना. तो टाइम इज़ ऑल्सो एन एसेट. तो यहाँ पे एक्सचेंज हो रहा है, टाइम के बदले आई एम एक्सचेंजिंग इट फॉर मनी, राइट. बट उस टाइम से जो वो कॉल बुक कर रहा है उसको क्या मिल रहा है, उसको एक क्लियर पाथ मिल रहा है. उसको क्या मिल रहा है कि ही इज़ नाउ एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई नीड टू डू फॉर नेक्स्ट वॉट एवर टाइम ही हैज़, राइट. सो this is how this is going. Basically, if I keep it free, if I give advice, nobody will take it seriously because it is free. But if you are paying something for it, then you will make sure that it is worth it, right? So that's why. संकेत, भाई तुम्हें इंग्लिश कहाँ से सीखी? संकेत, आई हैव लर्न इंग्लिश बाय रीडिंग बुक्स. मैं बुक्स पढ़ता हूँ तो वहीं से सीखता हूँ. Anonymous, are you into low level programming stuff? I have worked with C++, I have worked with pointers, so a bit of low level programming I know. I know assembly because back in college we had assembly programming, MOV, something like that. We did that. Deepak Reddy, hello Deepak, welcome to my stream. Hey bro, do you use Supabase? Do you know any ways hide those Supabase DB URL and API keys? Any proxy edge? Yeah, you can use GeoBase. Basically, if you are in India, you cannot access Supabase, so you can use GeoBase. You can use this GeoBase. Service stopped. It's managed. Supabase block. Wait, hold on. Service stopped. Why? Geo-based managed service has stopped. Migrate now. Okay, so GeoBase has also been blocked. Got it. Lokesh, we never do it for free when you know your value. Exactly. राइट. सुपरबेस तो गया इंडिया से. ट्रू. संकेत, भाई तुम्हारे हिसाब से अच्छी बुक सजेस्ट करो. मुझे फिलॉसफी पढ़ना काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है और मेरा फेवरेट राइटर है फायोदोर दोस्तोयेव्स्की, तो मैं उसकी बुक्स काफ़ी पढ़ता हूँ. तो उसका एक बुक है क्राइम एंड पनिशमेंट, आप ये पढ़ सकते हो, बाय फायोदोर दोस्तोयेव्स्की. या फिर आप इसकी द इडियट पढ़ सकते हो बाय फायोदोर दोस्तोयेव्स्की. ये सब काफ़ी तगड़ा बुक होता है इसका, तो ये पढ़ सकते हो. ये फ़िलासफ़ी है पूरा, तो इसमें मुझे काफ़ी मज़ा आता है फ़िलासफ़ी पढ़ने में. मोहम्मद यूसुफ, वेयर डिड यू स्टे? मोहम्मद, आई स्टे इन वेस्ट बंगाल, इंडिया. Executor, hi, first time here, what's up, what's happening? Hello Executor, welcome to my stream. Basically I'm trying to build an AI agent. I have built the AI agent, but now I am trying to add a feature where there's a mic, user clicks on that mic, and when user speaks, that audio will be converted to text, and then basically the user can use voice to control the agent. That's what I'm trying to implement next. And now for that I'm reading the documentation basically. Okay, so GPT transcript. Okay, Lokesh bhi, I get some message like, bro बस एक वीडियो करो, छोटा सा है, That video took a minute plus. I get some messages. Okay, Divyansh, I've done 3 backend API front end. Then I'm more inclined for cloud, looking at current database centers, building on large of scale. Also continue with AI first around. Okay, Deepak Reddy. Yeah, Superbase is working now. Good. Okay, Superbase is working. सायन कुमार, हेलो सायन, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई क्या सर्दी हुआ यार. लोकेश देखो भाई, मेरे को भी सर्दी हो गया है. अरे भाई. सायन कुमार, भाई डॉट नेट में मार्केट कैसा है? डॉट नेट फुल स्टैक विद ए आई. आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट डॉट नेट. मैंने डॉट नेट में कभी काम किया नहीं है, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम द राइट पर्सन टू कमेंट ऑन दैट. सागर, हेलो सागर. भाई एकेडमिक्स अगर अच्छे ना हो तो कितना फ़र्क पड़ता है? सी, अगर आप ऑफ कैंपस, इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू गो फॉर ऑफ कैंपस, योर academics don't matter, only your skills matter. But in on campus, academics, only your college CGPA matters. For on campus, your class 12 also don't matter. Lokesh B, read White Knight 2. Yeah, actually White Knight I have not read it yet because it is a bit leaning towards romantic side. And if I'm reading a book, I'm investing my time. So I don't want to invest into romance now, so I don't read romantic novels now. Weep. Wait a minute. West Bengal. Bengali. Weep. I'm not Bengali, but I live in West Bengal. Deepak Reddy. I'm asking generally. Superbase expose API key as Superbase URL in browser. From network we can see that causes pen attack. Security concern. Yeah, it can be a security concern if API keys are leaked. Lokesh B. Bro, I might come to Kolkata. हमारे मूवी का सेकेंड शेड्यूल प्लान हो रहा है समवेयर नियर कोलकाता. ओके लोकेश, दैट्स ग्रेट. संकेत, द इडियट बुक तो 900 पेजेस की है. लाइक आप ठीक है, द इडियट मत पढ़ो. पढ़ो आप वाइट नाइट्स पढ़ो. वाइट नाइट्स ठीक है. लोकेश, टेक केयर ब्रो, वेदर बहुत चेंज हो गया है. यार ट्रू लोकेश, इसीलिए शायद हो रहा है सर्दी. Anonymous, is there any Discord server for your channel? If not, then I would recommend you use a community as a community share things. What say? Yeah, Anonymous. Yeah, I'll create a Discord server soon. The Executor. Oh, cool project. I have also made my own AI agent for bug bounty. I just have to give it scopes of website and it find all the security loopholes and inform. Oh, that's a very good project. The Executor. That's a very good project. That can help you to win bounties. संकेत, भाई तुम्हारा रिलेशनशिप का क्या सीन है? लाइक संकेत, रिलेशनशिप का स्टेट लाइक मैं पब्लिकली तो शेयर नहीं करूँगा. लोकेश, मेरी एक्स ने मेरे को गिफ्ट किया था वो बुक. ओके लोकेश, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द पेन ब्रो. मेकर्स मैन, न्यू GPT 5.4 केम. व्हेन डिड इट कम? GPT 5.4 कब आया भाई? When did it come out? 2 hours ago. Okay. Nice. GPT 4.5 is here. Today we are releasing GPT 5.4 in ChatGPT. I was thinking the API and codex, it's our most capable and efficient frontier model for professional work. Okay. We are also releasing GPT 5.4 Pro in GPT. Okay. Complex tasks. Okay. GPT brings together the best of our recent advances in reasoning, coding, and agentic workflows into a single frontier model. Okay. It incorporates the industry-leading coding capabilities of 5.3 Codex while improving how the model works across tools, software environments, and professional tasks involving spreadsheet presentations and documents. Okay, the result is a model that gets complex real world done accurately, effectively, and efficiently, delivering what you asked for with less back and forth. Okay. Interesting. Sagar, bro, I have done BSc, it and MSc CS, and now doing bed and pursuing my PhD in CS. Okay, that's nice. That's great, man. You are pursuing PhD. You know, basically, I also wanted to do PhD, but in physics. I was interested in physics, so I wanted. When I was in class 12, I wanted to do PhD in physics. Lokesh, let's catch up for biryani. So, yeah, Lokesh, we can catch up for biryani, man. कोलकाता में आओ तो मैसेज मी, वी कैन मीट फॉर अ बिरयानी. बाइट सुप्रीम, भाई मुझे लगता है सेल्फ डेटाबेस होस्टिंग लाइक लोकल मोंगोडीबी करना के बजाय लोग सुपरबेस वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं. सम वीपीएस या सी पैनल पे होस्ट कर दो, सारा कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में होगा. या एक्चुअली I agree with that. Basically, in this application, this social media application that I built, I created the MongoDB instance inside a Docker file. I did not go for MongoDB Atlas or anything. So yeah. Okay, where is it? Okay, yeah, this article I was reading. Sagar, can I switch to technical field? Yeah, you can switch to technical field. Basically, learning tech is not so difficult. I believe you know a bit about programming languages. You can start with JavaScript, you can go with Monstack, and you can actually learn to build web applications really fast. साइन कुमार, भाई सुपरबेस क्या है? सिंपल टर्म्स में सिंपल समझा सकते हो, मतलब वाई शुड बी यूज इट. बेसिकली सुपरबेस, पहले मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि होता क्या है. कि एक फ्रंट एंड होता है ना. नॉर्मली एक फ्रंट एंड होता है, दिस इज़ अ फ्रंट एंड होता है. उसके बाद एक बैक एंड होता है. बैक एंड होता है, एक सर्वर होता है और एक डेटाबेस होता है. ठीक है, ये हो गया. दिस इज़ अ DB, this is your DB, this is your server, and combining these two we call it backend, right? And normally what we do when we build a full stack application, we build the front end on our own and we build the back end on our own, right? But what Superbase does is that it creates this entire backend as a service. Backend as a service. So basically, you just need to connect your front end application with a Superbase instance, and inside this Superbase, you can create tables. You can, create relationship between the tables and everything. Create CRUD operations without writing a single line of code. That's what Superbase does. Basically, when you're using Superbase, you don't have to think about building your own backend, right? That's it. लोकेश, टुडे ओनली इवनिंग में. ओके. संकेत, भाई बंदा शर्मा गया तो इससे मैं क्या समझूं? द एग्जीक्यूटर, व्हाट डू यू लाइक? आर यू डूइंग जॉब स्टार्टअप्स और लाइक स्टूडेंट? इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट और डूइंग जॉब, you should start your own startup. I can see a good potential in you. The executor, I used to have a job. I left my job. Now my goal is to build my own startup. And thanks for saying that, man. My goal is to build my own startup, so that's what I'm doing now. Sajjal, you are in college? No, Sajjal, I have completed my BTech. Coding, I am dropout. Is degree mandatory? No. If your goal is to work in startups or go for remote jobs, then degree don't matter. Your skills matter. But in MNC, like if you are targeting MNCs and everything, then degrees matter. Ankit Mahato, you use Codex on Windows. Actually, Codex, maybe in future I'll use, but not right now. I'm trying to learn how to build AI agents on my own from scratch. So not now. Maybe in future I'll use AI Codex. Fine. Coding. Okay. Sanidhi, you looks like Ali Faisal somehow. Ali Faisal. एक सेकंड. Ali Faisal कौन है भाई? Ali Faisal. ओ ये, अरे तो उसमें था ना, क्या था मिर्ज़ापुर. ओके, थैंक यू. संकेत, अगर इंटरव्यूअर में पूछा सेल मी दिस पेन, तो सुपरबेस सास काम में आएगा क्या? सुपर बेस बेसिकली स्टार्टअप सैस जिन लोगों को ज़्यादा कोडिंग में झमेला नहीं चाहिए, मतलब झमेला इन द सेंस कि ज़्यादा वो लोग को आई मीन ज़्यादा वो लोग को कम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं चाहिए, मे बी दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू यूज़ अ फ्रंट एंड, देन सुपर बेस आर गुड फॉर देम. लोकेश Sunidhi, bro looks like Shivam Dubey and Gil too. Bhai, how can I look like so many people at once? Anonymous, what is your startup about? Anonymous, I want to build a startup for, build a SaaS basically, software as a service for coaches like fitness coach, life coach, people who need clients, one-on-one clients, So basically, I want to build a SaaS for them. Maybe that can help them to get clients. So it's a B2B SaaS that I want to build. सायन कुमार दास, ओके ओके समझा. वो डॉट नेट ई एफ कोर से भी कर सकता है एंड आई थिंक फायरबेस भी ऐसा काम कर रहा है, पूरा बैकएंड अपने से संभालता है. इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग हैप्पी टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू इट. या सायन, बेसिकली फायरबेस, सुपरबेस, दीज आर एन ऐप, राइट? They are doing the same thing, backend as a service. And yeah, like when I try to build my SaaS, and when I try to expand it, if I need developers, I'll try to hire people. So yeah, Anonymous, is it service based? It's a product based. Basically, my SaaS is a software that those people will use. I will not do anything manually. They will use my software, and my software will help them to get clients, or maybe somehow it will help them to generate revenue through their clients, something like that. It is not a service based, it's a product based. Like, I will build a SaaS, software as a service. I will build a software that will help them. So basically the clients can coaches can log into this SaaS, and then it will perform some tasks. संकेत, भाई तुम फ्रीलांसिंग फील्ड में करियर बना लो. भाई तुम संकेत, तुम टीचिंग फील्ड में करियर बना लो. संकेत, मैं तो अभी तो अपने SaaS पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. फ्यूचर में मे बी if I'm interested, then I'll go into teaching maybe. Weeb, hello Weeb, welcome to my stream. By the way, how do I get internship during my college life? See Weeb, to get internship, your first thing should be you need to be skilled. You need to understand programming language, at least one good language, maybe Python, JavaScript. Choose one language and then learn about tech stack regarding that language. Maybe you can go with Monstack if you are going with JavaScript, or if you are going with Python and you are into AI/ML, then go for PyTorch, Pandas. Then try to learn different AI/ML algorithms. And if you want to go into web dev with Python, then go for Django or Fast API, and try to build full stack projects and deploy those projects. And then when people come to your then people see your resume, they should see deployed projects. Then only they will, if your projects are deployed, you have beaten 99% of the competition itself. Lokesh, basically bro is mix of Shivam Dubey and Gill, only name Abhishek Sharma. Bro is top class cricketer but currently working on startup. Nice description, Lokesh. Shayan, currently working as a .NET AI engineer with EY but want to do something with my own. Okay. See Shayan, the thing is that if you already know what you need to do, maybe if you can manage time, then you can manage it while doing your job. Maybe you can manage time and try to build something on weekend or maybe at night. But if you're really serious about it, and you don't have any family, like you're not married, you're not in a relationship, and if your house condition is a bit financially, if everything is fine, then maybe take a risk. Divyansh, with the AI boom and massive data center growth, do you think shifting towards cloud computing is a better long-term path? AI boom and massive data center growth, do you think shifting to cloud computing is a better long-term path? Yes, I agree. Yeah, it is a better path, because in long term, everything AI, maybe if vibe coding reaches its full potential, then vibe coding will build everything. Then yes, the job requirement as a full stack developer will reduce, but job will not end. But number of jobs will reduce. Yes, but people will need data centers because the population is growing, so data will also grow, right? And we need data centers. So yeah, you can go, that's a very smart decision. You can go for cloud computing. The Executor, can you drop your LinkedIn URL? I'm here, I'm not able to find it from your GitHub account. The Executor, I don't use LinkedIn because I think LinkedIn is the most fakest social media platform ever. Like if somebody goes out and buys a cup of coffee, people will say, people will come back and then they will write post like, today I bought a cup of coffee with my own money, and then I realized that this is the most valuable asset you can have, and all those shit. People write shit on LinkedIn, so I hate LinkedIn. I don't use LinkedIn. Lokesh, I don't know. मेरा पहला reaction था, I came here. What the Shivan is doing here? He's playing period only. Okay, Lokesh. Sanket. Bro, side face look like Farhan Akhtar. भाई फरहान अख्तर भी लग रहा है. भाई तुम लोग हाई हो क्या? सनिधि. शिवम दुबे? No, maybe I don't think. Okay. Halifu 340. I like your channel. I'm going to build social media application with the help of a video. Oh yeah, sure. All the best. Hiluf, and welcome to my stream. I hope you enjoy my streams. Sajal Kaushal, my company have said to use Copilot as an AI tool and complete 2 weeks work in 4 days. And if we are not aligned, then matlab some action will be taken against us. Your opinion? 3 लोगों का काम एक दिन एक कर देगा. I am OS dev. Advice we some topic tech and I can implement. Okay, see, AI say, see code and Copilot, what will it do? It will just give you tab suggestions and thoda bahut you can tell it to build this, build that. But code तो खुद ही करना पड़ेगा ना. Maybe you can try it. Maybe if Copilot works really well, give the prompt, tell it to build something. But you still need to intervene. You still need to understand the code. So if company is saying that कि 4 दिन का काम इतने दिन में करके दो, then the company is wrong in my opinion. Lokesh B, is this description good? Discover movies by mood, review, rate, and connect with film lovers. Discover movies. Yeah, it is a good. Yeah, Lokesh, it's good. Anonymous. Well, bro, when I first saw you, you were looking like Ishan Sharma to me. Ishan Sharma, bowler. Okay, yeah, Ishan Sharma, got it. Ishan Sharma, like cricketer. ऐसे नहीं होता, but I will suggest you to learn prompt engineering because it will help you and also use Copilot, use कर Anthropic के cloud. Okay, moreover try to learn any AI module path and switch, मार दे company की फट जाएगी. The executive, your English is good. I'm trying to improve my English. I am also doing a startup. I have a good product. I just need good communication skill to pitch the ideas to company, improving slowly. Yeah, the executor, the best thing is that read books or read English newspaper every single day. Sajal, okay. Sanidhi, in this AI era, everything is going automated about 80%. Well, everyone is saying that it is going to eat your jobs, but when I tried AI, it is hell, 20% human intervention needed. Yeah, I agree. As I said, human intervention will be needed because AI has not reached that potential that you don't need to see even a single line of code, right? AI has not reached that potential. They need human intervention. And in my opinion, companies are over booming this AI wala thing because I think they are hiding something. Maybe during 2020, during that lockdown phase, they hired so much that they don't need that much employee. So that's why they are firing people and saying that AI is coding this, AI is coding that. So maybe they're hiding that thing, that during lockdown they hired so many people. Now we don't need them, though. So we are hiring. So we are firing them, right? Maybe to hide that thing, they are saying that AI is taking jobs and all. Anonymous. No, Ishan Sharma marketer. Okay, oh, YouTube wala. Okay, got it. Makers, Ishan Sharma YouTuber. Okay. Lokesh B. I look like Nara Lokesh. I don't have beard. Okay. Oh, that kid Ishan Sharma. He blocked me on X. I don't know. He blocked you. Why? Okay. So in Chat 5 thinking can now provide an upfront plan of its thinking. You can adjust course mid response while it's working and arrive to final output that's more closely aligned. Okay, improve deep web search, research. Okay, but fine, codex. So 5.4 has become the benchmark now. Claude Code versus Codex. metrics. Any metrics on paper? Claude Code versus Codex versus Claude Code. Which is the better AI agent? Why I switched? Okay. I was a cursor agent. Okay. Codex, Claude Code. Okay. Codex, Claude. Okay. Model sentiments. GPT 5 mini sonnet. Okay. Negative, positive. Okay. Ultimately, different people prefer different. So we'll just call it a tie. Winner tie. Pricing and limits. Okay. Fine. Winner Codex. Okay. Codex has better planning. Okay. ChatGPT plans. Also, these are coding plans. You also get ChatGPT or Claude Chat. Okay. Fine. Anything else? Anything interesting? Winner Claude Code. What is this criteria? Features. Sajal Kaushal. Hello Sajal, welcome to my stream. Bro, what kind of startup you are working on? Sajal, I'm trying to build an AI startup. Like not today. Basically, this is for my own learning. I'm trying to build my own AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. But my goal is to build my own AI SaaS for my startup. So that's the thing. Sunidhi, everyone is telling their perspective that how Abhishek looks like. Come on, guys, chill. Okay. Sajal Kaushal, yeah. Okay. Codex, fine. Okay, here. Winner Codex. Anything else? Anything else? Summary. Continue. Okay, fine. Close it. Close it. This article I read here. So in this documentation, describe produces speaker aware transcripts. Responses format to receive an array of segments with speaker start and end, metadata, set chunk strategy, auto voice, active detention. Okay. लोकेश भी एक बार सर्च करो नारा लोकेश कौन है भाई नारा लोकेश Oh, this one. Okay. Politician, Minister of Human Resource Development of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, got it. Await, open and answer files. Okay, model. This one, diarization, chunking strategy, known speaker agent. When stream true, diarise must emit segment events whenever segment completes. Hold on. Let's go to ChatGPT and write a simple Expressjs controller, Expressjs, OpenAI, TypeScript backend that simply takes or simply that receives voice message from and then sends it to and then converts it to text. Simple AI types to open AI backend that receives a voice file MP3 wave, sends it to an OpenAI whisper, returns the transcript text. Okay. Multer is required because file. Okay, fine. Anonymous, bro, I'm going. When will you start next stream? And do you stream daily? Anonymous, yes, I stream daily, and I will stream. My next stream will be tomorrow. Tomorrow at night, after 10:30 p.m. or before. Consider 10 p.m. Consider 10 p.m. I usually come on stream by 10:30 p.m. So yeah, my stream will be tomorrow 10. Will start tomorrow by 10:30 p.m. Shayan Kumar Das. भाई वाइट क्लॉड कोड ने VS कोड के लिए एक्सटेंशन प्रोवाइड किया बट VS कोड के लिए नहीं. ओके बट VS कोड के लिए नहीं किया, ये अलग ही हो गया. VS कोड के लिए एक्सटेंशन बट ओके. सजल कौशल शाइन मैं समझा नहीं. VS कोड के लिए एक्सटेंशन किया बट VS कोड के लिए नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं. Sajjal Kaushal, have you give some timelines to yourself, like if it doesn't work out, then what will you do? Any plan B? Sajjal, I don't believe in plan B. Basically, if we have plan B, we lose focus from plan A. Basically, if plan A does not work, then I will just try to do the same thing in a different approach. But the goal does not change. Maybe speed changes, direction changes, but end goal is same. So I don't believe in plan B. Sanidhi. Sajal Kumar, do this with Claude. Okay, Lokesh, bro is so damn good looking that everyone thinks he looks like someone. Lokesh, bro, thanks, man. Nitesh Chaudhary, why are you not using Axios for fetching and Justin? I'm using Axios for fetching. I have used Axios basically in my code. If you see here, if you see src lib, I have used Axios. Basically, I'm using Axios interceptors. Here, I have used Axios here. And I have not used Astan because I think Redux is better because it has, it is much more simpler. Anonymous, okay, great. Let's meet tomorrow again. Sure, Anonymous, and thanks for joining the stream, man. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Bye, Anonymous. Lokesh, guys, he streams daily from 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, Lokesh, there's no plan B. Yep, there's no plan B, man. Ethereum, what's going on? Hello, Ethereum. Basically, I have built the AI agent, but now I want to implement a feature where there's a mic and we can speak to the agent and then agent performs the task. We don't need to type only. We can just command it using our voice. So that's what I'm trying to implement, and for that I'm reading documentation now. साइन कुमार, VS कोड IDE के लिए एक्सटेंशन है बट VS के लिए नहीं. ओके ओके. हाय, हेलो मराठी एडिट गकाश. हेलो मराठी एडिट, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. कैसे हो? Saksh Sharma, hello Saksh Sharma, welcome to my stream. Hey bro, PERN is quite good, or I can make money with it. Yeah, PERN is good. If you have skills, you can build projects. Yes, you can earn money with it. I ask one question. Yes, Marathi edits, what's your question? Lokesh, if you had to pick one for the next month, Cursor, Claude, Code or Codex, no switching, what's your bet? I'll go with Claude. Marathi, hello, hi, hello Marathi edit, welcome to my stream. Ethereum, cool. Okay, Ethereum, thanks man. Nitesh Chaudhary, are you in college or job? Nitesh, I have completed my BTech. I had a job, but I have left my job. So currently I'm trying to build my own startup. The executor, you looks like a Marathi guy. Okay, thank you. Pankaj Kumar, hello Pankaj, welcome to my stream. What is the wild project idea do you have for now? What is the wild project idea do you have for now? Wild project idea. Wild project idea क्या है भाई? I have lots of ideas in my head. Basically, I built my own social media application. People are using it. You can try it. It's deployed now. You can go to this URL. This is a project that you guys can use. It's a product now. Basically, Connect Hub. You can come to this URL and you can, use it. Marathi. I learned daily machine learning. How to understand the concept very for easy. If you are looking for resources, you can go to this channel, YouTube channel called Campus X. I'll just show you guys. Campus X. This YouTube channel. You can come to this YouTube channel. This is very good. This channel is very good for getting into machine learning, deep learning. So you can come to this YouTube channel and you can learn from here. Hitman Gaming, are you from Bangalore? No, Hitman Gamer, I am from West Bengal, India. Marathi, read my comments, bro. Yes, Marathi, I'm Marathi edits. I'm reading your comments. Sak Sharma, what made you leave your job? Sak Sharma, basically my goal is to build my own startup. And for me, I think I came to a realization that for me, my biggest asset is my time. So that's why I left my job, because it was asking my time, and that's why I left it, so that I can focus on my goals without any distraction. So yeah. Lokesh, Node Mailer is good, right? Yeah, Node Mailer is good, but we can use recent also, I think. API for that you can use web for recording voice, web search API, and send the text to AI. That's it. Don't go with transcription all. This you are going doing on web, right? Use web speech API. Okay, web speech API. Have you need to infinity track to all those directly? Okay, what is that called? Web speech API. 11 labs. No, which one? Okay, let's see. Web speech API. Web speech API and voice data into web apps. The web speech API has two parts: speech synthesis, text to speech, and speech recognition. Text to okay. But this will convert my text to speech, I think. But I want speech to text. Mayur Jadhav. Hello Mayur, welcome to my stream. What's PERN stack? Basically, PERN stack stands for Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Instead of MongoDB, we go for Postgres. Dhruva Jyoti Bhattacharya. Hello Dhruva Jyoti, welcome to my stream. In your BTech, do you think like building own game engine using AI for building like Rockstar Gaming? Yeah, it's a very ambitious project, I must say. If you can pull this off, you will get job in gaming industry. Marathi, how to grow the job in machine learning? See, if you want to get into machine learning, then go deeply into this. Understand PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas, Python, build projects, end-to-end projects, and deploy them, and then apply for jobs. That's the best thing you can do. Sayan, bhai, but एक चीज बता, what do you think about AI can be a threat to human threat like Anthropic is in a public feud with US Department of Defense over safety policies in early 2026. Yeah, I heard that about Anthropic, that US military wants the access to the models and the data for surveillance. This can be a negative thing. Mayur Jadhav, what you do during daytime? Mayur Jadhav, basically during my daytime I take consultation calls. I guide people who are actually serious about going into full stack development. They can get on a call with me. It's a paid call. I guide, like, I understand their strengths, their weaknesses, and their current tech skills. Then I tell them, I give them a personalized action plan that they can follow for the next few months, and then that will help them to reach their goal. So that's what I do during my day. Marathi, how to understand the concept for easy? To understand the concept, you have to build projects. Basically in machine learning, what are the things that we have? We have hold on, web speech API. Hold on, web speech API. MDN docs. Okay, here we have collecting the data, cleaning the data, creating the training loop, right? We have all these things. So understand those concepts and apply them. Hitman Gaming, can you just tell me what is the roadmap for cyber security students and what to learn and what not to? Hitman, actually I don't have any idea about cyber security, so I have never worked with cyber security. I have worked with different things like authorization, authentication for my applications, but I have never went into deep cyber security thing. There's a subscriber in my YouTube channel called Ibrahim Mohsin. He is into cyber security. So maybe I think he's into pan testing. He performs pan testing for applications. Maybe you can talk to him. Saksham, how can I start pen stack? Any good resource? How can I work with you and learn amazing things? Basically, if you want my dedicated guidance, you can book a call with me. It's a paid call. So only if you're serious about it, only then think about it. Basically in that call, I will understand your strengths, weaknesses, and your current skill. Then I'll tell you, try to understand your goal. Your goal is to get a job, or your goal is to build your own startup. Then according to your skills and your basic understanding, I will try to build your personalized action plan that you can follow for the next few months, and that will help you to get your goal. And for PERN stack, basically I know about MERN stack, so I know basic about this full stack development. And now I just learned about Prisma and Postgres. How to understand the concept for okay, I told you. Okay, Nitesh Chaudhary. I'm in 6M CSE. My tech stack is Java plus Spring Boot and use MERN stack in past. So tell me, what should I do in minor project? Should I integrate AI into project? Yes, you should integrate AI in your project. You can use Spring AI in your project. Lokesh, is this correct? Const data is equal to await rest.json. Okay, hold on. Await result.json. If data.success alert, else alert wrong OTP. Rest.json. Await. Where are you getting this rest? Await. .json. Okay. Data. But where are you getting that REST? Basically, REST, you are calling an API, right? Can you show me that also? Marathi. Suggest, bro, machine learning best roadmap on YouTube channel to get a. I suggested there's a YouTube channel called Campus X. YouTube. Go for Campus X. There's this YouTube channel, Campus X. You can learn everything from here related to machine learning. So yeah. What are benefits of Postgres over Mongo? Basically, Postgres is useful if you are going for horizontal scaling. Mongo is good if you are going for vertical scaling. Ethereum. No, you can convert speech to text. Ask ChatGPT create a simple HTML code which uses web speech with microphone detection and talking. And okay, got it. Okay, Ethereum, I'll give that a shot. Let's try that. Suggest, bro. Okay, fine. Dhruv, you know Bengali? হ্যাঁ আমি বাংলা বুঝতে পারি. Dhruv Jyoti. Yes, okay. Lokesh B. There are so many roles in cybersecurity. I can help too a little bit. I know basics. Okay. Pan testing, vulnerable. Yes, okay. Marathi. How to improve English for get job? I'm currently 3rd year. Last time I got a job for hard work in 1 year. And how to okay. Marathi edits, you can improve your skills by reading books. I will suggest you read one good book and read it every single day for next few days. It will help you to improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. Okay. Hitman Gaming. Can I just show the YouTube channel for cybersecurity if possible? Hitman, I don't know the YouTube channel only because I've never worked with cybersecurity. I have a subscriber, basically Ibrahim Mohsin. Today I think he's not available here, and Lokesh is also into cybersecurity. You can talk with Lokesh. Lokesh is a subscriber. He's in this chat available right now. You can talk to him related to cybersecurity. Himanshu, hello Himanshu, welcome to my stream, bro. I'm building a project. I want a suggestion that what should I do? Make a full backend or make front end and backend side by side? First build backend, then go with front end, because if you build backend first, then you have complete idea what you're trying to build, and then you can build front end very easily, and you just need to connect the backend. Lokesh B. Hitman Gaming. Network chuck him. Okay. How to improve English? Okay, fine. Borolo K Samrat. Hello Borolo K Samrat, welcome to my stream. Suggest a resource for TypeScript. For TypeScript, there's a YouTube channel called Chai or Code. You can go to this YouTube channel. Chai or Code. Here you will find a video on TypeScript. Okay, TypeScript. If you search here TypeScript, you will find TypeScript. Yeah, this one, Chai or TypeScript. You can watch this video. Oriplex, hello Ori, welcome to my stream. What do you think about AI wave? Should be relevant in 2029 if someone is in first year right now? What project should he build to thrive in the next wave? Build full stack AI projects, basically full stack applications with AI capabilities. Try to build that kind of projects. Get ML machine learning YouTube, not Campus X. Okay, so basically, when I was learning going for machine learning, I learned everything from Campus X only. Apart from that, I don't know any good YouTube channel. Mayur Jadhav, I integrated ML in Learn Stack, but problem statement was not that good. Is it a good project? It was a basic career path prediction problem. See, it's a good project. It's a full stack project with AI capabilities, so it has good potential. But you need to, make it a bit more complex. Like, maybe you can give that. It's a basic classification ML problem, right? Marathi gaming edits, you can improve your English by reading books, read English newspapers every single day. Karan bot. Yo, what's cooking? Hello, Karan. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? So today I completed the AI agent, but next step is to implement the voice feature. Basically, we can talk to the agent and tell the agent what to do. Okay, there we go. Hold on, where is it? Fine. I did use the speech to text, but it's not working. Okay, Nitesh, I'll try to implement speech to text in my project. Where is it? Okay, bro, suggest ML books. For ML books, there is this hands-on machine learning. Hands-on machine learning. This book is the goat. This book is the goat. You can follow this book. Hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn and Keras and TensorFlow. This is a very good book. Super. Your window does have built-in text-to-speech. Use that instead of using API. Yeah, actually, I was going for web speech API. This one. Simple HTML, CSS, JS project. HTML, simple Reactjs project that converts speech to text. You can use the web speech API. Let's build that. Sony is live. Is Go Go High Level a good tool? What is Go High Level? What is Go High Level? What is this? Go High Level, high converting sales funnel, email automation. Okay, I have no idea about this tool. Lokesh B, bro, is using email login with OTP is a good choice right now. See, if it's a simple project, uh, if you want a validation idea part, then you can skip it. But later on, if the projects, people are liking this project and you're deploying it, after you make it officially launch this project, then you should implement OTP part. ब्रो तूने एनेटन यूज़ किया है? नहीं, मैंने एनेटन यूज़ नहीं किया अभी तक. लर्न विथ हर्ष. DSA किससे करे? यूट्यूब चैनल. DS, there's this YouTube channel called Take You Forward by Striver. Are you writing a MCP or something? No, I'm not writing an MCP. Okay, fine. I got many issues while finding a data set. Can you suggest something? Is it possible to build a custom data set? Yeah, you can build a custom data set, but it has to be huge. You can go to Kaggle. There's this website called Kaggle. Go to Kaggle. Here you can, actually get data sets and you can build these things. You can go to this website called Kaggle. Okay, fine. The executive, bro. Are you originally from? Are you born and brought up from Bengal? Basically, my family is from Jharkhand, and I was born in Bengal, but my family side is from Jharkhand. Ethereum, have you tried OpenClaw? I actually self-hosted and it's crazy. I have not yet tried OpenClaw yet. Nigesh, what's your LinkedIn? Nigesh, I don't use LinkedIn. Super Bilota, bro, your stream is quite delay. Could you please do only 15 to sec delay? Actually, I have no delays here. If you come to this analytics stream settings, hold on here. Where are delays? Low latency, any delays? How to check delay? Edit. Any delays here? Customization. Slow mode. No delays. I have not added any delay. Message delay. Nothing. Okay, so alright. It's like HubSpot, Zapier, Zoho. Okay, okay. I have not tried Sony's Live. Ishan, why don't you use Whisper Flow, dude? Basically, here we can do it with Web Speech API, window or web speech recognition. Okay, how it works? Okay, okay. Fine. I got many issues with finding a data set. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Which Borolo K Samrat. Which place you are from and which college? I am from West Bengal, India, and I have completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. मयूर जाधव कैगल पे भी बहुत इशू हुआ माई डेटा सेट जस्ट हैड 650 रोज okay okay so I see just for learning purpose you can use data sets from kaggle but if for real world you have to do entire web scraping and all those things to collect data then you need to clean the data and convert it into structured data. Karan, which why use services while you can write that on your own easy yeah true. Samrat, bro, you are in Kolkata right now. Yes, Samrat, I'm in Kolkata. No, it's delay. All good. Okay, okay. Aperian, got it. Jharkhand told you, bro, is from Dhoni towns. Aperian, bro, no delay. Chill. Okay. Samrat, all good. I don't change anything. Okay. Karan, no delays. It's him reading in delay. Okay, okay. What type of project you are building? I'm building an AI agent. Actually I've built the agent now. Voice recognition we need to add so that people can speak with the agent. Okay, are you in okay? Learn with Harsh, bro. You're in college or complete? I have completed my BTech. The executor OpenClaw is super powerful. In cloud, I have built many products with OpenClaw, assigned multiple agents, and it automates split tasks and helps a lot in bug bounty and many times with high server severity bugs. Oh, that's great. The executor, bro. Whisper is for girls. What, dude? Saurav Mahatra. DSA is mandate for everything or not? DSA. See, basic DSA array and strings is mandate. Array and strings you should know. Accuracy can't be achieved with such data sets. True. See, but if you want to build real world models, then you have to get real world data. Bro, are doing job in which company and position? No, I'm not doing any job. Learn with Harsh. I had a job, I left my job, and now I'm trying to build my own startup. So, yep. Okay. So here what we did, app. Okay, start listening, speech recognition. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, set text recognition, return text, speech to text button on click, start listening. Hold on. Use Tailwind CSS for styling. Samrat, Make a ML project for us to add a resume, bro. Something that is mind blowing and intermediate level. Okay, I'll try to do that. Lokesh, bro, I think you should take rest. You have code, right? Yeah, Lokesh. Yeah, man, I'll try to take. Samrat, you are 2025 pass out. No, I completed my BTech in 2023. Night. Okay, using API local AI. I'm using API. Niranjan Kumar. Which company? What tech stack? What stack? I'm not working in any company. Unpopular opinion, ML is useless for fresher unless you are from IIT or MTech. Maybe, I don't know. Mayur Jadhav, I want to learn total Gen AI LM. Please suggest me where to learn from. If you want to learn Gen AI, then first you should learn how to build full stack applications. And basically, after you learn full stack, then you can just use APIs in your application to build Gen AI apps. Anshu, will the AI agent you are building be listed like other AI such as Gemini? No, it is just for my own learning. Just a sec, guys, I'll come back. Samrat, give me any idea that I can try on my own. Uh, Maybe build an ocean clone. Samrat, in Kolkata it's too hot outside. How do you get cold, sir? I have no idea. Why do you want someone to build for you? Okay. Ethereum, I think I forgot my LinkedIn password 2 years ago. Bro, who is using it? A lot of scams and it's like market. Yeah, Ethereum, I hate LinkedIn. Seriously. Trust me, I hate LinkedIn from my heart. It's the most fakest thing on earth. Like, people will say anything. Like, seriously, like anything. Today I met a beggar and he gave me a life advice. People will post things like that. Mayur, I know full stack. What after that for Gen AI, data science, deep learning? I know full stack. After that, Gen AI, LLM, deep learning. Okay, got it. If you are not using MCP, are you using LangChain or something? No, I have built the agent from scratch. Basically, I have built my own agent. If you see the code SRC AI, this is my agent. Then I've given this agent access to these tools, and I have created a tool executor. And then these are the services that agent has access to. Fine. So these are the things that I've done. I've built everything from scratch in this. Basically, this project was for my own learning to build AI agent from scratch. Anshu, so can't you also build one and have it listed? Yeah, I can build that. I can build that. But see, this is not my main goal. This project is for my own learning. Maybe if I'm not sure if I list it or not. मयूर जादव कचरा हो गया है भाई लिंक्डइन का ट्रू लोकेश सो शुड आई डिलीट माय लिंक्डइन अकाउंट डोंट डिलीट इट जस्ट कीप इट डोंट ओपन इट I don't even open. I forgot my LinkedIn password, everything. I forgot everything about my LinkedIn. Karan, true about LinkedIn, but you have to fake it until you make it, else you will be far being. I don't believe in fake, you know, random value sharing. I don't believe in that random value sharing. Fake it till you make it is a part of a mindset. Like you are not faking it, you are believing that you are that person. Then you are doing it. But fake it till you make it is just like फेंकना. Like हम लोग यहाँ पे बोलते हैं ना काफ़ी फेंकता है. LinkedIn में सब फेंकते हैं. और हाँ लिंक्डइन में से खुद फेंकेंगे बाकी के लोग लपेटेंगे दैट्स इट इसलिए मैं लिंक्डइन यूज़ ही नहीं करता हूँ एक कहीं मैं लिंक्डइन का कुछ दिन एक था ना पोस्ट कि आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू आई वेंट टू वॉच अ मूवी धुरंधर आई लर्न अबाउट मार्केटिंग इट टॉट मी हाउ टू मार्केट सेल्स भाई क्या लिखा था भाई एपीरियम इट डिपेंड्स टू Praneeth, website don't have any verification. Okay. Yeah, why don't you use anti-gravity for coding instead of manually copying and pasting codes into VS Code? Ishan, actually, the thing is that when I manually copy and paste the code, before I copy paste it, I understand the code. But if I use anti-gravity and everything, then AI does everything. I am not learning anything. So right now, before I start building my SaaS, I will be doing this for my own learning so that I understand the code, and I use AI only for debugging part and building the UI part. Praneeth, use Google OAuth. Okay, Anshu. But if listing the project can help money, as what I know, then what's the issue? Okay, I go deep into that, how to list and everything. Karan, so you are using OpenAI Lib. It's same as LangChain, one almost. Okay, yeah. See, it's here we have this tool option, right? Basically, in this part, where is my agent? Hold on, here. Here we are passing the tool. This is the prompt, and here we are passing the tools. Lokesh, yes, like today I brought my first MacBook with my first project and randomly XYZ. Makes sense. Good dude. Cheers. Thanks, Ishan. Ishans. Okay, Ishans. Niranjan Kumar. Today I made my profile. I was feeling ashamed putting those chat GPT things. See, LinkedIn is the fakest thing on planet. That's for sure. Logesh, we try anti-gravity. I heard for UI, anti-gravity is good. Okay, when I start building my SaaS, I'll use anti-gravity. Current bot. Actually, OpenAI copied this from LangChain back sometime a year ago. Okay, got it. Alright, everyone. I'll wrap up now. If you have any more questions, you can ask the questions, or else I'll wrap up now. Anshu, what's your age? Anshu, I'm 25 years old. Lokesh, my Twitter is more cringe. See, Twitter is far better than LinkedIn. Twitter is far better. If you open my Twitter, if I go to my Twitter, you see my Twitter, x.com. If I come to my Twitter, see, actually, here, just okay, fine. See, here people are actually sharing some real growth, at least. Like Elon Musk is tweeting, Google India is tweeting, Sam Altman is tweeting and sharing 5.2, 5.4, all these things. Raj Shamani, people are, at least in LinkedIn, you get something good. But in Twitter, you get something good, I mean. Niranjan Kumar, I follow same process, but as I am working with company, they feel I am slow as intern, but they aren't thinking if I do agent game, I will understand nothing. Okay, fine. Niranjan. Nathan. Chalo bhai, good night. Yeah, Nathan, good night, man. I'll also wrap up now. Lokesh, good night. Take care, bro. Take medicine. Yeah, Lokesh, I'll try to, get better by tomorrow. Nathan, where are you from, by the way? Nathan, I am from West Bengal, India. Lokesh, bio. Okay, bio. Ethereum. Twitter premium is crazy reach. Yeah, Lokesh. Fun fact, you can get job in X. Some startup founders hire from X. True. Ethereum, take care, bro. Yeah, Ethereum, thanks for joining, man. Take care. You too, take care, man. Anshu, did you know something about financial modeling? No, I don't know about financial modeling. I basically maybe training models on financial data, that I know. Lokesh, I was talking about my Twitter bio. It's cringe. Okay, got it. Fine. Alright, everyone. If you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to this stream. And if you enjoyed this channel, do let me know. And like the stream also. And just once more, if you're new, enjoyed the stream, consider subscribing. And drop a like. And tell me in the comments what you enjoyed. And until tomorrow, I'll come back. I'll do live stream tomorrow again at 10:30 p.m. So make sure to join that. You will literally laugh, bro, but yeah, I get reach, so win-win for me. Okay, so yeah, alright, everyone, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream, and take care of yourself, and consider subscribing to the stream if you enjoyed the stream. And tomorrow again, I'll come live at 10:30 p.m. So make sure to join that stream. So keep learning. And Anshu, 10:32. Actually, it too depends on how much work is left. So yeah, Niranjan Kumar, good night, man. Good night, everyone. all the best, and keep learning and keep becoming the best version of yourself.